Wagwan ENT.
This war, this musical war, is about to start. Your time, Guiding Star.
Good night, Padova. How you feeling? First of all, big up to all Italians in the place. Big up to all Germans in the place. All my French people in the place. All die-hearted soundclash lovers in the place. All original soundman. I see so many big sons in the place. Big up Northern Light. Big up Heavy Armor Crew. Big up Ishens. Big up, of course, Boom Shillum. Bad sound like Third Dimension in the place. This is Guiding Star. So let me start it by a blessing. Charlie!
The Guiding Star.
Because in the Bible they said,
It was a crowded
who
night,
God bless,
a
no
night
man
like
can curse.
this, when I walked into the dance hall.
Come down, people, come down,
When I
people, come down,
listened to
come
the
down.
music
Don't be
played
afraid.
for me,
This is a musical war tonight.
played by Guiding Star sound. As the music touched down in the lawn, brought tears to someone's face.
It's just the
I
start.
said to myself that I must try.
This is Guiding Star all the way from France. Listen, Father Lucci.
Cause I know Guiding Star was made to beat some sounds. And forever we rule.
But before anything, salute God Almighty.
Guiding Star was made to
Music is a mission before competition. But you see tonight, this is Soundclash. Let we start it like this.
This is Guiding Star.
This is Guiding Star, the French killing machine. Voice of the man called Maxi Priest. Here we go.
So this is Guiding Star, the number one in the world.
Engineer, turn up the sound, please.
I said it's time now for Guiding Star to kill a joker sound and send him 6 foot
For the third occasion,
in our burial ground.
we come to kill City Lock once more.
Cause everybody knows Guiding Star you rule.
Yes, engineer, fix up the sound
Them should
proper.
have never ever try come test the conquering sound. So this is Guiding Star.
For the first time in Padova, war is in the area, Soundclash. But you see, this is not the first time that we met City Lock and killed them. Let we tell City Lock that from early on. Charlie!
Oh, Guiding Star. Sure, sound that's so special, yo. Watch this. Guiding Star, come to murder drum and sounds again.
That we come for you from early
Just
on.
when they thought doves would set them free. Guiding Star, you murder one for me. We're playing.
Level no Charlie. As I said, this is not the first time that I met City Lock on the battlefield. They know that already. And trust me, we are going to show them once again the art of sound killing. Charlie, tune!
Guiding Star, kill him in the dance. Guiding Star, kill him in the dance.
We are going to show them how we kill sound from early out.
How we kill our sound in the dance. Oh, Guiding Star, kill our sound in the dance. They put the plate pan them, they put the plate pan them.
Level.
Plate pan them, they put
There's gonna be a doublet avalanche tonight. Trust me, I know City Lock the box is very loaded, heavyweight. But you see, when it comes to Guiding Star, we have a thing. We name the French killing machine. We always come with a fighting and a killing spirit. Charlie!
No,
who come a soundclash tonight? We don't waste no time. Straight to the point.
Tequila sound, guiding star, let's throw one down. Give me the lead.
Level.
Cause I
Level now.
Oh boy. Guiding
First
star, don't
address
like
to
that.
City Lock Son. You see that song?
Man.
It has a huge dub box.
Yo,
But when it
sound
comes
boy,
to
you
play
better
them,
settle down.
fucking yo-yo sound boy.
Like a
Fucking yo-yo
sound boy, he's
selection.
gonna kill the
Tell them Johnny
sound.
Osbourne.
We kill town here, kill town there, kill town almost everywhere.
For the first time in Padova, we're going to do the killing proper.
We're bound to kill your sound.
The Bible
Burn your
said,
altar down.
who God bless, no man can curse. This a son, them guiding star, is born as a winner. Charlie!
Some more try, you know, Emperor Haile King Selassie, I the winner, yeah. And guiding star just guided to the king, yeah. Whoa, well, hold on. Guiding star a big sound killer. Don't you know we ain't no loser? Got to be a winner.
We are going to beat and cheat City Lock once again tonight.
I gave all my heart and soul, yes. I got you truly on the wrist control. Say the half of the story has never been told. Fulfillment of prophecy got to
First round,
I'll never
we have set the
betray
trend.
my master.
Set the
For
pattern.
silver no gold, no. Guiding star
Hey, Bushman,
will
sing
live
out.
forever. And I don't wanna lose my soul. Don't
Who
wanna
God
lose
bless?
my soul.
No man
Guiding
can
star a
curse.
big sound killer. Don't you know we ain't no loser? Got to be a
We done
winner,
win twice
brother.
already.
Don't you know we ain't no
And you see
guiding
City Lock
star,
tonight?
you a winner, a winner,
Level
a
chart.
winner.
Level chart.
Guiding star, a winner,
You see tonight, we have many things to tell to Tommy Dollar and this unknown guy. I don't know who is the fuck is the selector. Where is Ali? Where is Fabi? Where is Easy Touch Tommy? What kind of choke that?
Guiding star, you know.
First combination to the night. Level.
Guiding star.
This one goes straight to Ali Bling, who is in Berlin. Fucking blood clot defective.
been doing all the time. Sound boy, you playing bandul upon the other sound man.
Gambling with people's money to come and walk.
People in utter
Borrow
darkness.
other sound
Don't want
ideas.
to see no
They got
foolness.
other songs ready.
Say make them try.
Set it up.
Now we are gonna shoot
Get
them
this
how
on
we
your blood
survive.
clot.
Go down, bandulu sound. Go down.
This is combination. This is combination to the hard way. Ready for Linval Thompson.
Relaying true light.
Them a go come with them super cat and them Sydney.
We ready for them. We are gonna mash it up and flash it up again. We ready for kill them. Kill
We
them.
said treat the hard way. All original guiding star rubber the fans. All original guiding star fans in the
I
place.
don't know no bad up soldiers in a guiding star. Amen. Say uno righteous a pass, say no better than any other man. I think.
Cut. Charlie, who know ready to turn the place in a fire? Here we go.
Round the mountain town, yes. Guiding star.
All who come a soundclash.
Round the mountain
Tell me some signal from early out.
On a weak sound, and them free talk could I never get with them. And though they trying to use I and abuse I, leave them with a frown. Guiding star, why I burn a weak sound, and them free talk could I never get with down. Though they trying to use I and abuse.
Tell me we no better come good tonight. Trust me.
Them a played up for so long in a competition, and them could not get away. The job they stole away.
Lucky you get the right cause.
How the works is slap them in them.
Lucky you get the right cause.
Yes, you are
That's that never changed nothing.
guiding star.
You used to that sound.
And spell.
This is Guiding Star, the French killing machine.
They come.
The sound who kill you twice already, and you see tonight once again, Charlie.
One
bag of
problem. Some boy have found them.
Once again, City Lock.
Guiding
Big bag of problem upon your head.
one bag of proud.
One round of trouble.
Boy, I'm funny.
Play them sing up on the double.
Everybody in Padova, from your belief, say guiding star, go kill City Lock once again.
Star, so we a kill sound again. Kill sound again. Hey, guiding star sound, I kill the whole of them.
Let me give you the 10 commandments of guiding star in a soundclash.
Guiding star, them a number one, I miss it too. A gunshot if you pass through, I win a tree. Pussy, can you can't murder, we can miss a 4. Gunshot, a shoot down your door, I miss a 5. Pussy, if you sleepy, I start, I miss a 6. Guiding star, fantastic, I miss a 7. Pussy, this a hell, this a no heavy, miss a 8. Pussy, I got the diff in a straight. You know, but we are going to play some pussy, hold your DC program, gunshot in your face. Guiding star, are the baddest bumbo clad sound ever play. Ah, this a fairy dance, all guiding star.
And City Lock, I'm gonna come with a bag of talk about them one rhythm clash back in the days.
Pussy, hold your DC.
This and that, them are responsible enough, blueprint and whatever. No, sir, we not care about that. Sun clash we come for. We not give a fuck. You could have burst this and that in your bathroom or your living room. Tonight you are going down.
Kill you right now. So we not care who you are, we are go kill them. And we not care where you're from, we come to kill them. And we not care who you are, we still a done them. Guiding star say we not left, we gun them. We not business who you are, we still a done them. And we not care who you are, we still a gun them. And from your this guy,
trust me, Tommy, I go come with one bag of fuck.
we tell you this
and what he did since Berlin 3 years ago.
But guiding star, father, the big son, why we
see we guiding star.
Them boy are
we not bow our sound, but French killing machine because we are the sound who kill the most sound in a French. Original sound killer.
Watch out. Guiding star a sound killer. Shoot any dibby sound boy. You hear me? Guiding star a sound killer. Shoot any dibby sound boy.
Cut. Big speech now. Charlie, get ready. What's the nickname of City Lock? They say the Berlin most wanted. From where? From when? When we talk about Berlin, the most wanted sound is in the place. This is Supersonic, not you little carbon copy sound.
Let's go on the king of fire. Yo, make them know a guiding star. Jay come no back from the war.
That foot sound from Berlin.
So now tell them guiding star. Chuck, from this your carbon, then you can know one different from the original man. Guiding star sound of the champion. And no little jump on. When me see clear down in the revelation. One man was worthy, then he is the lamb. Fix it up on the throne and bun.
I don't know, big up Magash in the building. All Swiss massive.
In a Geneva conference, something went wrong. None of them don't know where the man appeared.
Trust me.
Guiding
City Lock tonight, you know I go feel it.
Drunk on you, I got dead now. A gunshot now, inna your head now. With me Glock now, guy.
You're counting hours tonight. By the next 3 hours, argument down.
You, I got dead now. A gunshot now, inna your head now. With me Glock now, guy. This Sarah done just
I said, first time I met City Lock was in Spain, Valencia 2008. Then they try and set a rematch in Geneva in 2010. And then dead again. Let me give them a cool reminder tonight.
Guiding star, remember good no man guiding star, so we make the motion fire. Remember good killers when Charlie walk with wanted from get tired. Remember good no man, remember good no guiding or retire. Ya go dead.
You know remember
some try and say you cry. Remember good no man, the trailer load the guns we have a bag. Remember good no man, guiding star the real dancer. Remember good no man when over the you used to run proper. A guiding star a killer lad, the sound them it no matter. Remember good no man, dirty Friday and pass. Remember good no man, they know.
Cause them a go come with one bag of speech about them have this and that. Blueprint, we don't give a fuck. You see, we guiding star one thing sure, we have our honor anthems and they're legit.
Guiding star, sound boy, make me tell you something. Guiding star, you run the dog thing. And any boy want to do is something. We are
who is in the building?
Nothing, boy. Can't you see? Guiding star sound full of quality.
The fuck remix
contest with
quality you are gonna get this City Lock killing tonight.
Now the big sound a play. Guiding star and how you test with a big.
We are gonna send them back straight to Berlin by the next 3 hours.
Hey, how die guy, body vibe, rabbit in the eye. You should never test the guidance, I said don't you try. But I make young Polly Wally give you the.
Go to airport from now.
Went to the field and I'm a Jacob. Send another sound. Oh, take a bit into Jah in prayer. When the AK a fire, Jacob.
Hope you went to the church this morning.
Tell them walk with them casket. Anywhere we but them as a blood clot dead. Gunshot a bust up in a sun boy head. The pussy them won't stop it. Fuck this something, kill them in blood clot dead. Oh, so me say what's going on? One of the
Sitting like from Elliot. May I go drop your name on the plate? Cause you see, I killed you twice already, neat and clear. Berlin, it's up to each and everyone to make their opinion. The next one, we can count it. The rhythm clash, you cannot conduct. You cannot conduct. But you see, like you want to come back and test Guiding Star tonight, let one of my favorite artists tell you something.
The Admiral to make this. I said don't. Oh,
What is it there? Listen clearly.
City lock want to this Guiding Star. Once again, them I go get showdown. I have my rights to pick and choose. Don't believe we have nothing to lose. We are the champion, but you are the old man. What you fail to understand, that I'm not like the other sound you've met. We will break you down and leave you to fret. I will do things you don't expect if you try to disrespect. But all good things will come to an end. We're gonna leave you with a
First round, but you see, we're not gonna sit down and wait. This is no form of observation round. Straight to the point. Where we come for? I want to hear some real warlord, some real killers from early out.
You know it's warlord representing for Guiding Star.
One thing we learn about the years when it comes to soundclash. Shoot first! If you want to be sure!
Kill on me, kill them steady, talk them till Guiding Star pop off. Your blood overspill. Kill on me, kill them steady, talk them till.
Shoot first! And make sure to not miss Shani!
Merciless, curseless, Warren, John dead.
Tribute to the Red Warrior!
Jacob.
Real warlords will play!
Well, I know what me mercy me no get you back yet. This Guiding Star well are dead.
You will see those of the town. All of them to back this company, man, done by himself, Jacob and Lisa.
No form of respect tonight! Straight to the point!
Respect is respect in every aspect. Some don't know who them and they become this star puncher. No respect is respect in every aspect. Some don't know who them South representing. Hey, man, John, I seen you now.
Let's sit on this!
I said we gun them go so bang with the bang bang bang. Gun them long, long disrespect. Them get cap at the plan for them, making them damn.
Charlie!
What about this thing? You want to talk Guiding Star or murder them tonight?
Who is on the world map?
I tell them general.
Who is on the world map? Sitting up or Guiding Star?
Guiding Star go and kill the whole of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, straight up to 10. Straight out to gonna go with the boat. Gonna go with the notice board and anyway. Hey, Guiding Star sound a kill sound the road go with the boat. Guiding Star notice board.
Which booking City Lock get for clash since that? Since Berlin? Nothing. Lucky you, I accept this clash.
On a mission, you say what is my purpose? Fish them sound boy, I burn up. You again.
You call it up. You done ball up. And all the crew. Loud evil, broad eagle.
We're going to Padova in a gangster town.
You a sound killer, tell them no fuck round. The Guiding Star sound. One thing no sweet like no damn cologne. Them come in every place, come fire wall shot. Guiding Star ragga, murder boy and no care no. Matic plug in 45 chain gear.
Yo, Jacob, yo, Dan Balla. Yo, Double D. Yo, Bama. Tell some boy this. Yo, Guiding Star, tell some sound. Them a buy dub. Why them a buy dub? Some boy low, Guiding Star a kill them. Yo, Jacob, some boy a buy dub. We clash Jacob a kill them off.
I hope that they spend some nice money to come clash Guiding Star tonight.
Guiding Star a kill them off.
But they're not gonna hurt me. I tell you, Guiding Star is on the world map. City Lock, nobody call them name anymore. They're just a good dubplate agency and in a case, it's kind of shaky.
Nobody's calling your name.
Nobody don't know that.
Jump on sound boy. Don't let them know what you say. Oh.
I want to know the reason why a bad sound.
Always
But guess what?
Guiding star.
A big wanna be son boy.
We'll put
Just able to play their dub in their room in front of a veranda. Where the world out there?
Kill you, son boy. Kill you.
Guiding star. Ask them who could have never missed a one.
Charlie, final entry.
Guiding star.
Hey, watch out now.
They wanted it. They wanted to clash Guiding Star once again.
Guiding star, loco. You know we have the guns by the boatload. Guiding star, but no proud. Yeah, son boy get burn up now. Guiding star, so the thing turn up now. Like a jump on them or we come up.
It's a combination. Combination.
Guiding star, so we don't give a fuck
I
now.
ain't no storyteller. Loco. Guiding star. Well, we not friend, no foe.
Yo, yo, yo. Yo, this was the first round for Guiding Star, people. Yo. Yo, my apologies, people. A while ago, I forgot to say a thing. I forgot to say the rule of this soundclash. And you know, real quick, we're gonna have 4 rounds. 20 minutes first round, 20 minutes second round, 20 minutes third round, and 15 minutes fourth round. Okay, we're gonna vote after each round, and we're gonna give 2 points to the winner of each round. You know, lock off will be only in case or if a sound win all 4 rounds in a row. Otherwise, we are go dub fi dub, starting from the score reached by the sound after the 4th round, and each round won in the dub fi dub will count 1 point. The winner will be the sound that will reach 10 points. Yo, my apologies. Right now, it's time for the 4th round for City Lock. Straight out of Berlin, Germany. Your time, Tommy.
Yo, 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 yo. I tell you, how is everybody feeling? Buona notte.
ENT.
Buona notte, my Soundclash massive people. You know, we are always coming back to the Soundclash stage, and it feels so good because all the musical cultures in the world are in a crisis, the club scene. But the only culture that is always going straight is the Soundclash culture, because Soundclash fans are hardcore fans. So everybody will come here tonight and keep the culture alive. Big up yourself, make some noise for yourself. Give thanks for you to be here. Nice to see you, right? Big up the promotion. The stage is nice, the sound is nice. Big up to bring reggae music to the centro sociale occupato, because this is about social community. This is where reggae music belongs to. I like it. I feel so good here. And you know, when I'm good, I'm in a blood clot killing mood. This is going to be dangerous. So after I hail up everybody and give thanks to the promotion, I want to say, give thanks, Father God. Last year was one of my worst years, but this year feels so good because we're back on the Soundclash stage. To be with God is good. Yeah! You see me, my energy is right. I go step on a pussy hole tonight. You see me, Guiding Star. You have talking so much shit again. Ready. Big up my friend Blade, who I know from long time. We're going to talk about this later. Guiding Star, you should not come here tonight. When Tommy Dollar is in a good mood, everything dead. Play the tune. All who know say, when I'm in the killing mood, everything dead. Put your light in the ear. Light in the ear. Fuoci l'accettini. Jacques, lighters.
Judgment Day. City Lock play. City Lock will lead the way.
Blade, don't worry yourself. Cool, no man. Everything is proper. He say nobody knows him, right? Ali Bling is not here for a reason. And I find this guy in 48 hours and replace him. Trust me, you're gonna get every information. Let's go. I have a question for Blade. I have a question for my selector, right? Let me hear the question. Blade!
Them want who I am and where I'm from. Oh, give me the yacht, I want it for bun the evil man. must be the conquering lion.
Check my microphone feedback, please.
Van Zion, them
Take your time. Wait a second, Blade. Take your time.
and where I'm
They say they want to know who you are, right?
prerogative.
I'm going to give you the chance to introduce yourself with a song. I know him for 25 years.
Well, from the street of Berlin, coming deadly delivery. Bounty killer, city lock, them new discovery.
I know this guy for 25 years. I trust nobody with my double box but this guy.
This one is very special, it's sentimental. Motherfucking niggas, you know, none of the gun, them no red.
Big up to Blade, everybody give me a gun out of here.
Well, from the street of Berlin, coming deadly delivery. Bounty killer, city lock, them new discovery.
Right.
And them mess with him and no session to do it be lawfully.
This is my intro vibe.
Now him still in no recovery. Them wanna cry when situation getting ugly. I am from
Ali Bling is at home.
Think about your look.
He's alright and he's not here.
They're bragging about it, and about
And I cannot call anybody to come and play 2 days before the clash.
I'm from Stuttgart, where Tug is dying.
Only this guy.
So
But you see, Jacob, if you have a problem like this,
city
you can find nobody, right? Blade, give me the next tune from the top. Let's go. Yes, give me this tune.
You never find no sun in this
Jacob!
lifetime. Yeah. So never
You
mind
could never find someone.
things that people say that never heard.
Nobody rates you at Paris.
You never
And
find
your crew is not talented.
no sound in
Even your owner selector could not play your sound if you need a next one.
city lock. Keep the
You know what we are beginning?
A long time we a play and we a kill jump on. But another combo make we boast another one. Now we're in the studio to voice a new one. 1, 2, 3, Barry Salmon come along. This is a hit song. Suggest a
Italy, Boris in the area. Are you ready for the first combination?
Come sing
The two baddest singers on earth, Sanchez and Barry Salmon.
Line to tell you story about what one combo can do. What one combo can do.
Wait.
Can you listen some more?
Wait, Barry singing on the rhythm.
Killer sound boy and the Lord I got down. Sound boy come back.
Juggle me, Barry singing on the rhythm.
No more. You could say
No original rhythm, give me.
wasn't ready, no.
Barry and make him sing on tough Kong rhythm.
To make his move.
And you know the rhythm, Jacob, right?
Oh gosh, now.
The world is mine. We know them bad mind from
Jacob!
Everybody know them grudge the youth, them for them things.
You know this rhythm, right?
Because
Because you start to play him after me, boss it up first in Europe.
For life, them boy they are. Philip your dogs, ever strong. Them stay beside you, them not have your back, yeah man.
And me have enough anthem that everybody know from long time. It's nice, we here for 25 years.
Father God, I make them fight so hard.
Right?
City lock so never coward.
I want to play some tough drum rhythm.
Trust not the Lord.
Give me golly God again.
They did not the man.
All who love God.
Not make two of your work out, them get no road.
All who knows that you believe in Jah, put your lighters in the ear.
No reward.
Give thanks to Jah for let us being here on this wonderful night.
No. City lock. You see them sit down and a fight and set it.
Everybody will have respect to Father God. Let me see you put your lighters over your head. This is a special night. This is a special night.
There are lots of sounds in life.
Light up!
Some that you may
Light it out here!
could be living.
Tonight is a special night. Let's give thanks to Father God, everybody.
Play, don't play it, yes, city lock. Kill a drum pan, no city lock. By your works you shall surely be paid.
Jacob, you are forward like me. All what you do is bring back your friends, the same friends you always bring, and give them some horns to blow. And it looked like you get a forward, but you don't get no forward.
He don't mess with the east or the west. He leave the people.
Blade, show them your butt selector. We travel all the way from Berlin. And we do this.
He dance, yeah.
Next one!
He don't mess with the east or the west. He leave
Rhythm beat DJ Blade.
just him a the gaga. In a any time.
turn up the rhythm, DJ Blade.
Tonight is a double attack. Some boy can't react. They don't play them sound like trash. Tonight is a double attack.
Right, Shadiki then.
Till like sound you gone pan top. Tonight is a double attack.
Okay, the rhythm is nice. I want to play a DJ that you have to listen on every soundclash, but not everybody play the DJ.
Everybody sound outside you.
Give them the bass line. Everybody give me a gun for Louis Culture. Louis Culture going on in that here. Every clash we need him. What?
A real sound killer, how we name city.
What?
We murder sound.
What? What we name Louis? Blade, we have no time. We are going to run over that pussy hole tonight. With all the bullets that we have. Come, Blade, give him a run.
Press is down, head the emperor, king of kings, to one fullness.
Tonight is a different juggling.
Press
You realize already, right?
king, I all the thing, press it down, head the emperor, city like you press the king of kings, to one fullness, have to express. I city like song. Whoa, whoa. Hey.
People, you know my box, cause my box is nice. All who wanna hear City Lock anthem, put your gun on over your head and make me see. Come on, Tally. Come, let's do this. Padova.
City Lock kill people, no perplex them gun hills a city. And I'm
Padova. Let it go down there.
The flex and make we get vexed. Big gun pop out, all your shot and get catch. Disrespect come.
That was not enough gun hand.
Gun it.
For the next tune, I want to see every bomb match that gun hand in that ear.
Why the back all
For this tune, everybody give me the gun hand in that ear.
No way. Big gunman rise, boy, to make no noise. This a City Lock, gonna get a shot between the eyes. Life dep on the line, the fast is just sorry.
Yes!
Representing for the body sound.
I told you, Blade, no worry, everything gonna be good. It's not about money tonight. Scare them, cool, nitty kotchi. Come, everybody, give me the gun hand in the ear again.
Big gunman rise, boy, to make no noise. This a City Lock, gonna get a shot between the eyes. Life dep on the line, the fast is just sorry. Don't get gunshot to them brain.
City Lock in the law.
Big tune!
Come sing out.
Everybody, let me see a light on here for Cocoa Tea. Boris in the area, massive.
What?
We owe this to Cocoa Tea. We owe this to Cocoa Tea. Give me the lighter. What in a chatini, everybody?
City Lock in the law.
Jacob, you little pussy. I hope you're counting my forwards. I don't bring my friends and give them horns. I have like 10 forwards in a row. You will never do this. Never!
You know when I'm like no friend.
I see right now the killing machine. I walk out.
Fire.
This is round number 4.
Oh, yeah.
What you think I'm gonna do to you in round number 4?
I most want it,
Right?
Well, City Lock sure said them not gonna live to see tomorrow. The City Lock we left them in a pain and sorrow.
This is only round number 1. This is only round number
The
1.
wicked people work is taking now. Sizzler your short rump and
It's not about money.
tomorrow.
Let me put Sizzler on already.
Carl will left
To make it better than Guiding Star. Let me put artists on a rhythm, City Lock style.
Well, them not.
City Lock, have no mercy. Send a drum and sound to the cemetery. Kill them off, kill them off. Kill them off, kill them off. Them crying like a baby.
Let me put artists on rhythm.
Them should have
Original City Lock style.
everything. Kill them off, kill them off.
Give me one more line, play. One more line.
Kill them off. Me say to all of my chicas and my MCs, and in the year we feel lovely and busy. You catch me.
Then your name is Jacob. Then your name is Lisha.
Tell some sound, this is what the gangster life is like. Roll out in my rich, more time I ride my bike. Kill a sound, boy, and take them hype. That's some bad mind selected. I'm your mother home.
I might sound different. When rhythm start pop out, me don't stop. Me walk over. Me walk over.
Bad man feel
Like how me walk over me girl sometimes.
All this talk of Europe and we
big sound tougher, won't get them no way.
This is half pint. Jacob, you don't have history songs.
Oh, yeah.
You always have some little fuckery songs. You need history songs. Like this one, this is history. Why you don't have it on don't play, Jacob? What's wrong with you, Jacob? Jacob, are you okay?
No lies, no games, no fronting of a kind. City like rule, dance all the time. Good to go, nice and mellow. And we
why are you broke, Jacob?
Bet your life, sound boy.
We have a lot of singers, right?
City like what?
But my sound, we put all the biggest singers on one rhythm. All the big singers on one rhythm.
So I will it take some boy to kill you and fuck up your jump and sound.
How much Jack Q me play already?
Sound boy.
Jack Q upon rhythm. Jack Q upon rhythm.
The place we play brand new.
Yeah, man, juggle. Juggle Moscow style. Machine. Machine juggle.
Big sound with a big vibes. Champion is a champion. Tin pan is a tin pan. Murder nation.
How long we play with him? As long as I want. Ah, this is my box.
Big sound.
Nobody can run with me box.
Vibes. Virgin is a virgin.
I was talking about the biggest singers in one rhythm. Give me another big singer upon me rhythm, please, Mr. Blake. One more big singer upon rhythm. One more big singer upon rhythm. One more big singer upon rhythm. One more.
Sitting like play those songs, boy. Set the mood for we to a lot different.
How much singer you want upon one of them? Give me the greatest of them. Give me the number one singer. Give me the number one singer upon me rhythm.
Sit like the mama family.
All who wanna hear big tune, put your light on here again.
Now, your song's no trick to me. Why don't you let it be? And stop playing you with dubs. The only thing.
But reggae music is nice. Reggae music saved my life. I will do everything for my sound and my music till I die.
We gonna kill, we gonna kill, we gonna kill, we gonna kill you in a this your soundclash. City rock is own.
Think about the veteran sounds in the building. You know what I'm talking about.
Oh, hear the people say now. City lock will last forever now.
Ah, first round.
When you hear them say
only 6 minutes.
They lock will charge the murder.
I'm not try your thing, but we no scare. Them think them sit down pan prone, but
hold on a second. Play the music from the top, my G. Bro, our time is running. We have to skip some rhythm, but let me hear the sizzler from the top. People, this is a serious tune because of the war that is going on. All who know say you don't go out to Babylon. Give me a sizzler like that here one more time.
I'm not try your thing, but we no scare. Them think them sit down pan prone, but them catch pan chair. Have them police and soldiers here and there.
This is 2026.
And everywhere.
Enough people bow out to Babylon.
My sound is the great.
But not we. All my soundclash crew. All selectors, all reggae fans. If you know, so you never bow out to Babylon.
Now go walk you
put
when you walk
the lighter in the ear and burn out theater, burn out pedophile, burn the whole of them. Let's go. I see 10 lighter. I want to see 50 lighter. Tonight we burn out theater. We burn out pedophile. Lighters.
I mean them can never happen. Me make the pit. This city look like you take man for pussy.
Brother them.
Pass a topic you like oh cook pick hockey.
Jacob, you know what your sound is to the
like what this any pussy anybody enemy man. Worse if you this me with me like them in a me hand. Any pussy this city like a dead man. Well on the fear me
pussy.
Wait a second, yeah man, give me the cover from the top.
Do we get everything out of the shot? Go suck your mother. How you love chat so? Go watch your father so.
Hold on a second, play the tune from the top. I have a question for you, Jacob. Jacob, you kill Aishans yet? No. You kill Warrior yet? No. You kill big sound like Sivalizi of Florida Poison Art yet? No, with your little sounds, man. Play the cover and bust up pussy in the field. This is a serious question to Guiding Star. Everybody listen.
Class city,
This is a serious question to Guiding Star.
Hey, pussy never kill nobody yet. Go suck your mother. When we get everything out of the shot, go suck your mother. Well, how you love chat so? Go watch your father suck your mother. City like I say, one shot lead to another. When pussy ever
Another Cobra.
go suck your mother, you will get.
You say Supersonic. You think we sound like Supersonic? We have a different box. You are the only copycat in the building.
Go another. When take. Gunshot in your bumbo clap. Come on.
Sonic and City style is very different.
Well, gunshot.
You are the only copycat in the building. Me, I will give you some Cobra to hurt your feelings. Come, let's go.
I know we copy them. And them a copy we.
Another Cobra boss up the pussy fierce.
City like you no copy.
Me no copy no boss. Why you see you, Jacob?
Shut it. Well, if it up, City like play, you copy that. You know uncle copied up your traffic copy box. You get gunshot, pussy, you a copycat. Originality, pussy, you can't copy that.
We don't have a lot of time.
Pussy, you run up.
Juggle the machine.
When
my friend,
pick up your heart full of shot. When them count your head shot.
All I wanna hear Sizzler on rhythm again. Give me a Sizzler like that.
Alright, even though them big and bold, City Lock a kill the mother freaking fool. Cause if them never know, City Lock you on the old damn world. You murder sound boy and take with them girls. City Lock jump and say them big and dead. City Lock got this.
Jacob, for 25 years, you come in clash with the same box.
We go.
For 25 years, you come to the clash with the same box.
We know you don't know you. If you're not showing no progress, sound figure through life without no stress. Be friends with some sound that's hopeless. Watch out. Them chat about got things and them screw. Just so them tongue tan. City Lock, stone your bread come from. Chill bunk them warm and sun head pan. You know it's life them want see you dead from. No, can't chick we and kill we. Nah, that's no, they must have never got used to your woman. If your woman left.
Alright, I'm gonna play one more rhythm. People, give thanks for everybody to be here. This gonna be a night of the nerds. We're gonna give you some tunes that you cannot listen on other audio. The next rhythm is one of the most relevant clash rhythms of all time, and nobody played the original song. City Lock, do it.
Say, tell you say.
Nobody played the original song. And City Lock alone.
City Lock, show him dub, him a hang a song. Suppose you want to pick it up, it's your business. Oh yeah.
You have Larry Marshall?
Yeah. City Lock, show him dub, him a hang a song.
Come late. Kick up the pussy.
Business.
Kick him up. Yeah. Give me the DJ again. Give me the DJ again.
Look like them are waiting for them funeral. City Lock, lock down the whole block. Johnny Osborne.
Oh, Johnny, this, alright.
I just murder, musical murder. I just murder, City Lock.
So the first round goes to City Lock.
Man, it is dead.
The killer is here.
Rina.
I come for my first 2 points.
I charge for. Cause we no see no sound while
give me the killer. Bounty killer going on. Bounty killer going on.
You see the talk until City Lock gun pop out. Up your ghost we bill. Kill or be killed them. Steady talk until so. City Lock gonna murder you now. When a murder informer hunger live in a hell. Big man kill everyone, kill your friends still.
Sorry to be very much in a killing mood tonight. But tonight I give them Tel Aviv.
Yeah man.
Yeah. You know what we are going to give them tonight? Bob Bowen. Tonight we are going to give them Tel Aviv. And you know what they're talking about. You see that pussy I go there tonight.
Someone go say yo. Slew them and bare feelings them a carry. Them done go already and them can't say them sorry, yeah. Slew them and bare feelings them a carry. Hey, City Lock, you want to do them something for me again?
People say you are too hard with the sound sometimes, but you know why? You don't let it run? Alright, 1 more, 2 more missing. Alright, anyway, people, give thanks for the first round. Vibes was nice. Later gonna be hotter.
Yo, Pedro, how you feeling? Yo, that was first round for City Lock. Yo, people, let me tell you this. There's no place for biasness in this building tonight. You know why? Because we're in Italy, and this is a battle, a sound clash between a French sound and a German sound. So, right now, get ready to vote. Lights on crowd, please. Lucin Sala. Yo. All those who say Guiding Star won the first round, show me 2 hands in the air. I'm watching. Okay, hands down. Right now, all those who say City Lock won the first round, show me 2 hands in the air. Lights on crowd. That's close, guys. Yo, we're gonna ask you again. I'm gonna ask you once, I'm gonna ask you twice, I'm gonna ask a third time in case, but after that, in case we'll be a tight. Lights on crowd still. All those who say Guiding Star won the first round, show me hands. Hands down. Lights on crowd, please. All those who say City Lock won the first round, show me hands. Guys, that's what me I say. Guiding Star won for very few hands. So I'm giving the round to Guiding Star. First 2 points for Guiding Star out of Paris, France. Ready for first round, second round for Guiding Star. Jacob, your time.
Okay. That was really close. That could be a draw, but to me, Tony made the right decision because from first round, a big sound, well, that's how he called himself, a big sound like City Lock, playback tune already. The Bounty Killer, Killer Big Kill, you don't have no ears, pussy. Like you call me pussy from first round, curse where I go cause some bad words on this bomber clot now.
Yo, Guiding Star sound. Yeah, the French killing machine. Well, I don't know what this is, Commander.
You're gonna get to know who is the French killing machine tonight, Padova.
Larger than life.
Quality music we're gonna play. All kind of style.
Guiding Star sound, them are the real topper. From sound to dead, let them get copper. And
all you want to see City Lock dead tonight.
And then we feel we split bullet and push it into the sky. Another sound boy die. Gunshot out of this 45.
Low Charlie. Now you see that guy? This is the main problem with Tommy Dollar. Instead of bringing a good new MC, he carries a selector from nowhere who can't even mix properly. Yo, and this guy still believe he's a bad MC, but him just cry like a bitch and don't have no speech. Perfect tune to kill the pussy.
Hey Lee Sharp, me tell them say the whole crew tell
you must talk about Guiding Star dumpers.
These are the things.
Watch out these dumpers. I go slaughter him tonight.
Guiding Star kill some sound right now. Alright then, oh yes, Jah. Guiding Star we make boy die. Take them life, alright yes. Out comes these dubs, bust up in a jump and face again. Guiding Star, dub plate when we rise, jump on a dead when we drop the plate. Oh, Guiding Star, we kill some night and day.
Cut! Charlie, calm down. What the pussy said a while ago, did I ever kill some big sound in my life? Last year, I just killed Magash, which is a sound 10 times, 100 times bigger than yours. Pussy, I killed Shashamani.
Hello, this is Steve Mann talking. Guiding Star, the French killing machine.
What kind of idiot speech?
Dan Bilo, Lee Sharp.
Then tell me all of this.
Some sound want clash, but them not have no speech. Tonight, guiding star, I go beat and teach.
Beat and teach from early out.
You know, this is Steve the Ragamuffin Marley. Guiding star, the French killing machine.
The pussy are talking about him a sound killer. Which sound him kill from the last 4 years? Big up all real soldiers in the place. To be a sound killer, you have to be a fighter first.
Give me now. Foundation in the only place. Guiding star with a run and trace. You look the king of kings with grace. Give Jah all your thanks and praise. That's my fortune and my fame. Never sell out just to attain. Loyally and I remain. Guiding star say do the same.
You think so your box wickeder than mine?
I know it's
just show you verse a regular super cat and a few cartel.
Give Jah all your thanks and
I'm gonna show you the meaning of sun killing tonight.
Loyally and I remain. Guiding star say do the same.
Ready for the gargamel.
Give me now.
Soldier in a army. You think I know the fancy them one way? Send a mug of flying.
This is from first round.
Nobody knows.
Tell me that you're so predictable. You just come cry like a bitch and complain yourself.
Some sound boy balling out. We hear some little sound boy balling out. Hey, some jump and balling out. We hear some little sound.
What we are gonna do with City Lock?
Go tell them guiding star where we need overall.
Yes indeed, yes indeed. Mac Mini making the whole crew, you know. Jacob, Charlie, Carlito, Don Barlow, Garcia.
Tonight we are gonna slaughter them in all kind of style.
Oh, so serious.
From the deepest roots to the latest dancehall. City Lock I go dead, trust me.
Some sound I go get gunshot and won't know what to do. Guiding star is the champion sound and everyone knows it too.
Padova!
My sound will murder you. Murder you. Guiding star will murder you. With dancehall and one drop two.
All kind of style, Charlie.
Yeah, yeah.
The pussy won the coin. Him feel confident. He better be careful.
Well, in come the man called Martin Moore. Them better understand now. We there in at the place with guiding star.
Big up Boom Shalom.
Hey,
Pedro.
Sound a sound and guiding star approve say all of them a source a clown. Knock them with a shot out of we catalog guy boy.
Working clown sound.
Guiding star where the
you don't have no comparison with Supersonic,
real gang
Soundquake,
pretend we
D-Buzz, a wire sound, you know just a clown sound. Them feel confident, but you see tonight, trust me, Guiding Star, we have music and speech to kill the pussy them.
Guiding star of the top shot for kill sound guy. Yeah.
Come, Charlie, too much tune to play.
Guiding star and kill your sound tonight.
Padova. Who not ready? Who not ready for the slaughteration?
Star said them thankful for the supplet we kick over them turntable. Murder certain jump and yes we willing and we able. For kill can't we are done. As humble as alarm when a time for murder.
You could have planned a counteraction. You see, the whole world said this rhythm belongs to Guiding Star. And you are going to show you class how we put song on bad rhythm. Charlie!
God is my weakness. Any boy test Guiding Star, them I go feel it. God is my weakness. No son boy I feel.
Teach you about dubcraft.
God is my weakness. Any pussy test me tonight, them I go feel it.
No off-key business when Guiding Star are playing.
No,
all dubplates are serious. Real murder.
Madness come down, you know. LT Garcia, Dan Barlow, killer jump and now, you know.
New segment.
Murder, 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 murder.
This is 450.
Them
no
use them
shot in
fucking
the black cat pussy head.
Yo, Guiding Star. A
murder. Some sound them use them all too much noise. I agree with you.
So Neil, my son boy feel watching up. Hey Carlito, Elisha, them should start the war.
Confidence.
Hey guiding star.
Confidence in myself.
Everyone go tell them, sound killing right now. Oh yes, I'm blood spilling right now. We forget the job, bit of over spinning right now.
No off-key business when Guiding Star are playing.
Right now, we're Guiding Star sound. Tell them we're killing right now. Hey, Guiding Star sound, winning right now. We forget the job, bit of over spinning right now.
And watch how we're gonna get that trophy tonight. We're playing some real bad hardcore.
AKA the French killing machine. Don't know Jacob, don't know Alicia. Carlito, Dan Bala.
Who not ready for the badness now?
Yo, watch it pre Guiding Star sound. Them think the Rasta call up. Heavy gun them me have them me round up. 145 shot make a bone bro. Try by car punch up, put it down out. Guiding Star sound mother. Guiding Star sound boy. Bust out the metal, hot up the place and shut out the face. 145 shots slap out your ears. Hot up the place and shut out the face.
Okay, Charlie. We still have time.
Guiding Star sound.
You want to start the fuckery now?
Let me tell you more.
Charlie wants to start the fuckery. Pedro, are you ready?
Son can go
Let we start fuck up the place.
Them feel free now. A one gunshot this tech fi make some sound wipe off a earth and drop down flat. You can't this Guiding Star sound me no matter about you and me no care about that.
Start the fuckery. Bucklat. Charlie. No rest no fucking time.
Hey, Guiding Star.
Tonight, we are in Italy.
Hey, Jacob.
I come to give a blood clot mafia killing to City Lock. All original gangsters, road boy.
Hey, Guiding
Star.
Pull up on 20 Matica Sparker. Empty Babylon talker. Sign for your killer fast. Guiding Star, gonna blast, watch it. Kill a knife in with something like Yendi. I tip them load, money up like trendy. One can about the boy, gonna you no lend it. Machine
gun. We say a mafia killing, we're gonna give the pussy them.
Hey, Guiding Star. No boy can survive in war.
How about them a bad sound?
The French killing machine, pop it off and plant it. Swear to God they don't care. I didn't your place and nobody around here. 32 in the clip and they pick up a gun share. 6 man and 6 funeral, mama sound clear. I'm a fly belly bus glad I go in here. Get a phone call.
Welcome to the badness now.
Circling busting in the nice square.
City Lock show off with Chewy. Off Kim Movado. We'll set them back. Let me show you how we play golly god.
You say not the big lady, you just step on them, rain and fall. Think I wet on them. Check them a century, step on them. With them weapon them. Them a ball and a start up to be when you bust your gun.
Last year, as I said, I crashed and killed Magash. Then the rock is in the place. He had a nice speech. Asked me if I would like to get their own Movados. No, sir. When I look at you that night, I say I was just waiting on the right time to voice my Movado. Me say I was just waiting on the time to voice the Movado that I want.
To them.
Already.
Born in the badness.
Give us some big gun.
Guiding Star.
Show me some
French
gun on. Gun on. Gun on. Padova.
Lesha. Bumbleclad. A big guns. A dark Guiding Star fire. We born with that empire. We shall put sun in Kasaya. Hey, big gun.
We not beg for a forward, Tommy.
In a blood me go make sound but me see Janko fly down.
And at the same time, thank you for your duplet service. Your own service, I go kill your blood clot tonight. Tell you what you have next.
Them a broken. Can't tell about mine, we don't know about them. Jacob, I go kill both them. Guiding Star and murderer.
Give some lesson to the idiot old boy.
Machine that's in the pussy, we hard to dirt. Press it chica so we make it party work. Them gyal a scream and a men call the earth. I better so we make a dummy party earth. Yeah, the pussy them light, do I walk by. Use it, drink and chop off the head. Shoot up in a night.
But them kill sound.
No badness.
When was the last time they kill a sound? About 10 years ago, 15 years ago.
And when you got there, with my finger on the trigger. Don't know anything I ain't guiding star. Tell a boy, me bumbo clock like no sweet like vanilla pan killer. All sin a match with that all thing a war winner. Inna them suck pussy face me bust man inna. Far with a crack like the glass.
But them a son killer.
She come a boy with a smash.
Big liars.
No, work ya.
Nothing not good for you.
Me squeeze
for the last decade. The only clash you had was the one you organized with Supersonic against us and Soul Stereo.
Crocodile over back.
Let him on a DJ tell him something.
Chip clock straight non-stop, them pussy off today. Real gunshot if I tell any pussy one, push up them head.
Them feel like Cobra for them DJ.
Like a gunshot.
What a carbon copy business that. B.I.G. bust that idea. Them trigger finger come with it. The whole of them a fight, but Cobra is everybody but son DJ.
But the Jenna there, guiding star there.
Who is in the
building? Pussy them a high from the other day. We know a guiding star, them can't war, yeah. Take a year off and come in at the soundclash. Guiding star.
Year to year, son killer this.
We don't know about them here up. No, we don't know. Guiding star for your beer shot. Chop back on the streets, chop on the seat. Yeah, no black wallaby, that on me. Your love chat for Rocky, lap back your beak. Action and speak, fat shot, black slammer beat. Who said them are the bad?
As I said, I killed City Lock twice already without any compromise. I murdered them in Spain in 2008. Big up JJ and the place, you were the promoter. Then I slaughtered them in Geneva in 1v1. Let me give them some history. You see that Sunday, nobody talk about them worldwide. Nobody no one hear about City Lock. Listen, King of Fire.
What do them pussy, man? Oi, enough place them can go. Guiding star go.
You see, on the way to Brooklyn this year.
You know why? Guiding star I go kill them. I just some papi show them. Guiding star I go kill them.
Listen clearly.
Star, come here so you go kill them. Guiding star I go kill them. I just some dopey sound them.
Fucking puppy sound boy.
Problem, them this guiding star.
Listen clearly.
Italy we kill them. Germany we kill them. Switzerland we kill them. England we kill them.
Guiding star, Anthony B. Celino. Any sound boy disrespect guiding star.
You better come prepared.
Have a box full of dope, we are real sound killers. Murder sound boy anytime and hours. Win any class cause we got the powers. We left them in a boat box with wreath and flowers. Box full of dope, guiding star killers. Murder sound boy anytime and hours.
Charlie, go on with the fuckery. One deal with the fuckery.
Guiding star sounds push bullet in a sound boy like Barrow. Jacob price the rifle was straight like arrow. We not sit down and chat like narrow.
You see later on when we are going to federal.
Dan Ballo take his chop them borrow. Cali time full of action. Relocate them on the app and follow. They find two sound guiding star left replace smoky. 16 carry about 30.
Later on when we are going to federal.
When them a what?
First of all, I have to big up all Italians in the place. All real Italian soundmen in the place. You have a team like we have in our friends. We are proud and afraid to play for your own local heroes. Let me play an artist who is well known in the place. Big up Northern Light, big up every armor crew, big up Aishens Omar in the place. Let me play the voice of the one and only one, Attila. You have a message.
Oh, mamma mia! Attila, me name because I'm Attila, my brain.
Attila!
God, these stars are the king machine. Everybody knows say city, bumbo, flat, flop. Tommy Dollar has no dollar stink. Broke, never get a trophy, bene. With a bring you the two girls, one cup. God, these stars are winning with the gop. Northern Lights, every ama one love. This Papa Jacob, you get shot. Big up di promoter bon, Shilom, City Lock campione non penso. Sono 10 anni che floppano nella dancehall. Questa cosa non ha senso. Ci state sul cazzo come Cruciani e Parenzo. Tommy Dollar Trump, how will you ramp with? This is your funeral, how will you man them?
Padova!
Like you is a mandatory, we gonna play for you with the simi.
You think I don't put the rhythm, Charlie?
Sound boy ready for die for real. Bullet fly through head side.
Here's the something cool in the place.
Them shoulda never this week. Anything move ready for kill quick.
Mr. Fool,
Jamaican. Boy,
let me tell you this.
Sound boy too fool. That's why them a go dead in here.
Charlie, the time is running. We not ready if you start the fuckery once again? Them come with one bag of regular Bounty Killer, playback killer from first round. Let me show you the art of doublet cutting. This is Bounty Killer Brooklyn for Guiding Star. First one ever to cut.
Well, these guns need no promo. Huh, it's Guiding Star, motherfucking niggas. Start is and want to hide in water. Blood clot, you want me a surviving star. Pussy jump and truck under your mama frock like your papa cock when you see the clock. 17 never clean and ready for clap. Bring it in and me cheap it in and me lap.
All we soundmen them in the place.
Lucifer, crucify your bumbo clot. Me cruise the pit Rosie and them done star ass. And nose it on pussy when the guns go off.
Killer, tell them.
Pussy if you feel like you mad in a real life.
You really feel
when
that
you
is
see
bad?
9x19
Let
right.
me tell him something.
If you feel like you mad in a real life, Guiding Star, wheel off and squeeze off the wood.
He won't try it for the third occasion.
See.
But the more you try and try, the stronger is Guiding Star. This is Charlie. You never met him in a real life? Yo. Watch him, I go kill you, but
only make me stronger when we kill your sound. So go ahead and tell the town.
Come, City Lord.
Push me round. Cause every time we kill your sound, Guiding Star stronger.
This is combination.
Every time,
as I said,
sound,
let them come and try again.
Oh, chop. And the more them try to kill we, then the more we live longer. More them try to weak we, then the more we get stronger.
Yo, better people. That was second round for Guiding Star. Yo, right now it's time for City Lock again. Second round. Tommy, your time.
Check. People, how you feeling? Ready for a good one? Okay, Jacob, I'm really sorry if I have to wake you up, but seems like you're still sleeping, Frere Jacke. Hey, people, Guiding Star is talking about year-to-year sound. Guiding Star, it will hurt you, but I tell you the truth right now. Guiding Star was, as a sound system, as a dancehall sound system in Europe, never relevant. Only for clashes where they need a cheap contender. Like you talk about, you clash a lot because you go to Jamaica, they have a clash every day in different cities, and you can go as a European sound and clash for free. Okay, yes, it's what you're doing. But nobody ever paid a lot of money to put Guiding Star in a headline if it was not against City Lock because they know this is fun. But otherwise, nobody ever put Guiding Star on the headline of an event. Not for no juggling, not for no festival, for nothing. And City Lock, we are always in the dancehall relevant. This year, last year, all the 25 years. Parties, no matter what. You talk about audio, Trigger against City Lock, 2018. This audio is more relevant than any Guiding Star audio ever will be. I'm sorry to tell you this, Jacob, but you run up and down, hey, you are not relevant no more, but we are, you are nothing, Guiding Star, man. You are only something when City Lock is shining on you. You see that? All right, people, are you ready for the top killer to turn up the bomber clan again? Come, beat and teach.
Ready for clash, yo.
New tune time, new reggae music. New reggae music. Everybody give me a light if you want to hear new reggae music. New reggae music.
Them coulda tough like Ayana. City Lock turn them in a mood lion. Looking at shoulder.
Beat and teach. Guiding Star don't even know how to play new music.
Why we have been this in constant fight? When City Lock sound up in the clash tonight.
People, I'm serious. All who want to hear good reggae songs in doublet style, put your light under the ear. City Lock is here with a box. Light under the ear. City Lock is here with the box. I don't want to hear big tune. Put your light under the ear for big reggae songs.
If you're looking for City Lock big sound, me there in the corner.
Pull up. Play the song again. Jacob, you don't know how to do this, man. The only time you're on stage is when you clash.
I be Ben.
You don't know how to play reggae music for people. You We don't know this, Jacob. Watch out. You wanna hear a lot of Sanchez. Original Sanchez. Let me see the lighter again for Sanchez on the place.
Sitting like a champion.
Sanchez!
Just play some dumb city lock and kill drum pans for me. Remove them from the dance hall. Everyone will all
remove Guiding Star. You don't belong in that dance hall. You are boring the fuck.
Gonna kill some more. We're gonna kick and thump them up and box them out the door. I want to help City Lock kill some drum and sound. And they don't want no one to give them an helping hand. So if you think you're bad or you're poor.
When I ask for Sanchez.
Hey, well, if I want, make it
when I ask for Sanchez.
I
want to see more lighters. When I ask for Sanchez.
Not a problem. We have to use them drum and I feed the of them. Well, if I want, make it start.
This is a combination. Every gun finger for Baby Shark. This is a long time fight.
Them drum and I feed the of them.
Them say war, them a bring, tell them that's not clever. Since a war then forever. City Lock boss, it can't miss you never.
You cannot play 1v1 with
so
myself.
Tell them whatever, war them a bring, tell them that's not.
You have the audacity to say you and your little Keaton text accent.
City Lock.
I boss this song and every sound in the world have it. You don't have songs like this.
Stop that train is a City Lock song.
Why?
Cause they originated that one.
Right?
Oh, let me tell you, yeah.
There's not one song in the Guiding Star box that anybody wanna copy. All the songs are flop songs.
Them copy it from. And if you say someone played it before.
Alright, people, this is round number 2. And I want the people who listen to Soundclash in the audio and here to get what they want. Not only regular songs. We want to hear Studio One rhythm. Enough Studio One rhythm. This is what we like. You see me? Give me the truth. And I don't talk about real rock. I don't talk about regular rhythm. I want to hear different. Enough Studio One rhythm there.
Now that your sun stops shining, it brings dark cloud. And why when City Lock is playing,
this is quality.
Just how much
this is Colonel Camping.
It's like my heart on fire.
This is not hard to get. You just have to choose the right song.
One song, City Lock, run dance up. When blossom fell, it rings.
All I wanna hear Sizzler. All I wanna hear Michael Rose Blueprint. All I wanna hear Michael Rose Blueprint. Put your hands up.
We fire double gun. We kill your soul for fun.
I said we want to hear some different songs. This is a blueprint.
War.
But this is only our introduction.
Guess a lot.
1-on-1.
Now
4 rounds.
When a sound
we're gonna kill that. Easy in the round number 4. We are gonna bleed them out.
Sound.
You know what we do with Guiding Star tonight?
Year round. No other sound can
DJ Blade,
sound.
Give me my uncle and tell Italy what we gonna do with Guiding Star tonight.
When you are bring for
let's go to Italy.
Any sound, anytime.
What we gonna do with Guiding Star tonight?
City Lock will run them down, 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 run down. Any one of them man, gun them down, gun them down, gun them down, gun them down, gun them down. Cause City Lock we no fear, yeah. When City Lock step, boy skin not get wet. Tommy Papa, when you mock your somebody you get shot. Not China.
Yeah, I rate Cobra about to kill and all of the bad DJ. But what I don't like with some audios, we don't have enough foundation DJ. Come give me more Studio One.
Long down mercy, long.
All Studio One fans, give me the gun and in here again. This is original tune.
Hit about it. Studio One style.
Original.
Me say fi answer me question. Me say fi answer me question. City Lock say you fi answer the question. Bro, say you fi answer the question. Right. Say that we coming on the money city Romano. Coming on the
when we open my phone,
Coming
on my social media, I only see girls on top. I never watch sound social media. But you know who's watching my social media every day? The boy named Lishal. He's crazy over my sound.
To make you jump and twist. Play LP.
That boy is crazy over my sound.
I got your spy them for the copper shot in on them heart. I win on them high, Tommy Dollar say. From them I spy them for the. With suspects and them work with the FBI. Tell them, inform positive like you left the whole world like cry. Most we condemn is such and multiply. I got your informer, them bone I go fry. I can tell.
Okay, Italy, we said we want to hear some different rhythms and artists. All who want to hear Burro Banton from the days when he started his DJ career. Early Burro. First Burro Banton song ever. Let's go. Give me some Burro Banton going on in here. Different tune.
Champion.
Different tune.
And I'm the veteran Burro Banton.
Different Burro.
And him said, we in a A1 class, and all of that sound I feel bound to the boss. I tell them city like him in a A1 class. All of that sound I feel bound to the boss. Especially when me in my movement test class. On my way round to Banbury Cross, my box the last year up on a big white horse. I tell them city like him in a A1 class. But yes, City Lamp are the best. Yes,
Stormy weather rhythm. You wanna hear more DJ Pun rhythm?
The best.
You wanna hear the greatest? Of the greatest on rhythm, let me see your gun and then you for Bounty Killer. Bounty Killer gun and then Italy.
Not another word, we not go no further. City Lamp not up, pussy get murder. Another bird, blood run like water. Shut out to business to kill your war with pleasure. Informer dice war, City Lamp treasure.
Blade. Juggle me rhythm nice. We want to hear one more DJ Pan rhythm. The bat one. Give me the bat DJ Pan rhythm again.
R.I.P. Rest in peace. Pussy get a coffin and they must get the read. We call it R.I.P. Rest in peace. Pussy get a coffin and they must get the. City like a bad sound, pussy take a seat. I lay down in a board box, we cover with reed. Kappa shot, gunshot, holy polyp. Funeral a keep 7 days of the week. See all the bling a come, them a fear than a retreat. Gunshot, take out some sound boy teeth. Pop it off, make a whole knee. Alright, take them coffin and read.
Okay, pull up. People are like the vibes. We have to keep the clash culture alive. We never have to forget the greatest artist in our soundclash history. I want to see from here until there, until the back. Every gun finger not here for the Dan Gagan. I want to see gun finger for the German. Every gun finger not here. Why?
When I was a little stereo, I used to hear some champion or the
What?
EBC, and then I always wonder when we are gonna be the number one. Or to listen this, I know you listen to the City Lock. A City Lock's on the rule, or the MSA, and then the bumbo try this way. Tonight we turn them in a fool. That's why me say, you to the ready for your beating session. A City Lock from the border, bumbo whole sound. You to the ready for your beating session. A City Lock from this place, yeah. Number one, no focus City Lock, we are the number one. Champion.
People, this is DJ Blades. Bad. When I start to go to the dance hall, he was playing already.
Come on, but me gon' talk. People.
This is Foundation of Berlin.
New York. Yes, I am a do man, but me
I will play the hardcore tunes tonight.
People know that from Walter.
Hardcore!
The outlaw. None of them are no threats. All wicked and bad say no and mercy.
Now wait. Play this tune from the top. People, this is why I'm here. Regular songs, yes, but unregular songs, same way. Give me hardcore style. Give me Terry Ganzi. Terry Ganzi again, same song.
Disrespect, don't play to people.
No problem, play the tune from the top. We want to hear Terry Ganzi. Tonight is a different night.
Shoot and miss, hey, couple shot out on them black and blue. Who the F is you? Pick up this City Lock and him crew. Don't go take your measurement for your one apartment. Not take me swim, but you may dress decent. Looks is deceiving, the pleasure receiving. Perplexity flex, me send them head through the screening. Big wicked sound on him knees and I cry. City Lock sound, not take no alibi. Good night. Shut your mouth when City Lock talking. Disrespect the play to people.
Alright.
City Lock sound now, go shoot on me.
It don't matter, I still want to big up the DJ. You know why? I know him for 25 years. When I start to go to the dance hall, he have a dance already. He have a Sunday night, and the Sunday night is going on for 20 years. So this is a very, very professional selector, but he never plays City Lock in a clash. 2 days ago, I call him, and this is hardcore to study a box like this in 2 days. So even if there was one mistake with the controller, don't worry. I want to big up this selector for being a bad selector. Give me the tune.
Some police use chalk. How arm to them dash out them brain get dog feet. How arm to them boomer by.
Give me a cobra.
To the seat. Let me tell you something. Not more City Lock no freaky. A fuck we fuck girl pussy, but a heat or no heat. How arm to them your Tommy Dollar.
I say in a night like this, it's the night for the hardcore songs of the box.
That's it. How arm to them pussy. How arm to them pussy. Yo, the general.
This is the night of the nights where we get hardcore tune.
And I don't know a City Lock.
All I want to hear hardcore music all night. Give me a gun and we come again.
Let me tell you about City Lock.
One more time, mentally.
Top of your dirty boy, bone wall always. Never fuck about him, move in your sin or this.
We're a real rude boy sound. When you come feel laugh and smile.
Man, no fix fuck.
You know my style?
A girl with choke, cocky pan that choke no wrist. Number fi girl me full her up like forest. Rubbers over that no run, I tell risk. A boy girl a buy the ice with the palm wrist. Mount a pussy when me fuck if it a money mood a richer. But that's me hunt, we no run back.
Let me check if the rhythm will run.
Me the pussy them know. Alright, hey. City Lock man, them a fuck a lot of boom boom. You know you never suck a boom. Them sound boy over the so boom boom. That's why we pop it off in a head boom. City Lock man, them never suck boom boom. Them boy over the so boom. City Lock pop it off in a head boom boom. Pussy drop a ground straight with them. Last first pass a freestyle. In a no blood clot head the berry tag wine freestyle. All the blinks if we pre-file. Tommy Dollar put the Tommy pan rapid as a redial. The general say fi dig style.
Sorry for the problems. We give you one more pun rhythm and then we gonna turn it up different.
Give them a bleed like pig style. City Lock give them a mat.
When we do a mistake and we don't do good, then we can't say yeah, we fuck it up. Sorry, Italy.
Killer!
But we're gonna give you something different and nice therefore.
Real fucking gladiator.
I'm gonna give you Boucher and Cobra a combo for this.
City Lock come hard, Cobra on power lad. From up a wild yard. Say them a try hard, but them grind tie hard. Now you step in charge, don't play that lad. Ready for kill, so you give them a wild card. Hey, me name wild lad. From up a wild yard. See them.
Sorry what happened, but we're gonna give you hardcore for it.
In charge, big guns.
Cobra and combo with Bounty Killer.
Tell them, anytime. Boss you no want war. Anytime you want war, we do the. Anytime you want.
One of the greatest clash DJs we missed in our soundclash goes by the name of Merciless. Rest in peace, Merciless. Give me a good finger for Merciless, pun rhythm. Merciless. Merciless for the sound. Merciless.
City Lock now a dear friend.
Tron!
City Lock got a gun in him, you're dead as you see we. Sound wife we dead because we just done clean it. Drive up with the gun in our Lamborghini. Bullet up them up like how we romance scene. City Lock got a gun in him, you're dead as you see we. Sound off we dead because we just done clean it. Drive up with the gun in our Lamborghini. Bullet up them up like how we romance scene.
One, you laugh and one.
Jacob,
City Lock some sound.
You take everything too serious
right
right
now. Talk and go on. Me Canada dopey and laugh and go on. Killer son, laugh and go on. Them selector broke like buckle, make them talk and go on. Son boy suck your mother. Me have $1 million per meter.
Jacob, you take everything too serious.
Son man not like
in the clash you talk too much shit. And after the clash you come and wanna be best friend again.
Right side you. Yeah, pussy
and talk about you bring Hennessy from Paris.
So on you shouldn't make a man press up.
Jacob, you know you're a real alcoholic, but I don't want to drink Hennessy with you. And you know why? You know why I don't want to drink with you, Jacob?
City Lock, tell them no. Watch this, City Lock. Who will not share NSC with no pussy eater. Can't touch a chalice, pipe a steamer. Earth on the board, cut it with the chase star. That make you fly, it a must a visa. Lick up a sagaba, make a split sweeter. Bush herb make your feet and bun like Easter. Ali bling no bun jug, so him no nistra. Tommy Dollar, yo for the Benz, tell them. Sound boy, suck your mother with your black pipe.
Steamers that like me on a top flight. Face motherfucking swell piece was bite. Yeah, red stoplight, you know me first right. Your bun bush weed make hunger chop tripe. Your smoke chalice and drop.
People, I'm really sorry for what happened with the controller. If I do something wrong, I can admit, alright? We have 2 more minutes. We are going to give you 2 history songs. As I said, it's not my choice not to be here with Ali Bling, but this is things from above. And we have to respect God in his decisions. You understand? And we take the best that we can look for. And the best is a good selector like this. But the controller is the problem, no problem. Let's go.
City Lock International.
That's my song. It's a hardcore session tonight. For me, it's a different one. Difficult.
Hey, don't know my story.
Yeah, this tune is from my heart right
just
now.
know my song.
This is the reality tune right now.
Hey, City Lock. What them do? How them a go like we no kill some before? City Lock. Left them on the floor. Bust them head. Blood a figure pour. We kill 1, 2, 3. We kill 4. City Lock left them body in a ditch. Send them a down fi weep on the floor, yeah. City Lock, kill for the riches. But we a kill from we poor. Nothing a go on the post, say them switch up. No for we get them bun we before. But dancing at the place, so we want City Lock. Why start to never run way before? And even when we roll into the party, I City Lock thugs, we bring that gun there for sure. Them out the love, we see we on the asphalt. City Lock, fly out on a tour. It's like bad mind, I kill them posted there. I don't need fun for the
Italy, don't worry yourself, trust me. We're gonna fix the controller and next round we're gonna take it. This round I fuck it up too much. We don't even have to vote. I give this as a big man to Guiding Star because what we play on the last problems with the controller is not something that we want to deliver. So fair is fair, but it's a one-on-one. So if I lose 1 round doesn't mean the clash is over. We are going to win this bomber clot. A real fighter knows, say, problems will not kill you. Problems will make you bigger. Number round 3 and 4, me take it and don't me killing. I'm confident in this bomber clot, no matter my problems. I give you an outro tune now. An outro tune.
First thing them no bowl like we full of gun, every clip full of crocodile teeth. With them sound get fucked when we read.
Them no bowl like we.
Clip full of.
Yes, and that was the second round for City Lock. So please light some crowd right now. Yo, Luchin Sala, please. Yo. Okay. So, please, Luchin Sala, per favore. Okay. Right now, all those who say Guiding Star won the second round, show me hands. All right, hands down. Okay. And right now, all those who say City Lock won the second round, show me hands. Okay. Right now, the score is 4 points for Guiding Star that won the second round. Yo, and right now we are ready to start the third round. So Jacob, get ready, your time.
Yo. People, I warn you about this fucking old guy behind the City Lock turntable. We don't know who the fuck he is. And when we see how he's dealing with Jano, big fucking mistake once again. Tell me why you didn't bring Easy Touch and Fabi to challenge Guiding Star right now. And one speech for Tommy. I think I found somebody worse than Tarzan when it comes to give up Soundclash. Wow. After 2 rounds, the man don't even fight for this last tune to win this round. Shame on blood clot you, Tommy. Me feel like do my thing and execute City Lock in the morning. This is a rising talent all the way from France. She goes by the name of
City Lock, I go there today. No matter what he tried to play or say.
Big up to all my UK massives.
How long will it take to kill that sound?
This is the first ever reggae cover adaptation of this famous English
Guiding Star, I go kill that sound. Guiding Star, the plate, yes, your sound is weak.
Reality!
You are gonna end up in a graveyard pit. Didn't you hear the battle call?
We passed the crime hour.
We put
Sunday morning. What's happening to City Lodge?
Soundboy dead on Sunday. Soundboy dead on Sunday.
Charlie!
Whoa, oh, oh, oh.
Calm down, people! Time to wake up again! The French killing machine is on the scene!
Star, yeah. I woke up this morning in a soundclash. I see guiding star, feeling a sound boy.
Talk about I'm boring.
I jump and sound.
When you flop from second round like that, let me give you some music and execute your blood clots.
Oh, yes. Julie Gray, yes. Guidance out.
The boy attack put songs on rhythms.
Feel the trade when I blow, won't it blow my way? Guiding star kiss sounds today, like a natural mystic blowing through the air, and you feel it if you are aware.
Jacob, Lishar, and all the crew.
Padova, you want songs on rhythms?
Guiding star sound rule. Hey, now rich man's wealth is in the city.
I know that guiding star future is bright.
Is there poverty?
Like you see, City Lodge.
Instruction of old pan sound is clarity. Guiding star in a play. Rock them now.
I don't have a guiding star,
And say, I wanna rule my destiny.
Charlie, you ready? First one for the night. I don't have chronics. This is the French chronic sound.
Everybody wanna feel like we. No little timpan couldn't play like we.
Let me big up all the sweet ladies. Bonnie, Dixon,
Everybody wanna feel like we. Say Jacob in the skin, no teeth. Guiding Sarah play the music sweet.
And when we play for our artists that we claim
in the wild sun, putting it on the street.
Listen,
music we putting it
this
on.
Is not regular business.
Nothing no righteous about
chronics in a medley style for you and you, Padova.
If you jump and come a war, them a chat and them a screw. And I run up them out in a interview. When we come a war, it's not to put on a show. I just choose some sound boy, no, no. They don't know. And I said they don't know.
You should know how to play protege when you are Clash guiding star boy.
Big up my brother protege, eh.
I'm guiding star where you say, eh.
Are you serious? Try to test guiding star with free tune.
We know. We murder sounds everywhere we go.
Just go.
Some big dubs for our friends and foes.
Hello.
And I suppose.
And no.
I'm pleased to be killing jump on like
Come on, say. Watch out if you play protege. Let me tell him this.
Guiding star. We kill a sound, we see a way. Drastically straight, we not care what them a say.
Call Charlie.
Guiding star sound.
Tommy Dollar is one of the most talkative MC in the business, but him have nothing to say.
Yeah, I never ask them nothing what them tell me. Take them daily to cease and still they keep talking.
One talk show bag of fuckery. One good selector you should have bring tonight. Shame on you. What a shame you don't even respect Italian masses. Tell the boy that.
So anything fun test them a go dead. And we not join the bag of talking.
Once again.
All them a chat and a screw them sound.
But I'm ready to sing over.
I a big informer.
Oh my God! When we claim to play artists,
Guiding star.
This is one of the first dubplate chronics ever voiced 15 years ago. Listen clearly the voice.
Whoa, sound the watch.
Where the watch trumpet them there?
Tell them the war it not done yet. Son boy, make me tell you this. Without bias and prejudice. When Jacob hear me, him never miss. Guiding star a real sound terrorist.
You see how Charlie have skill and no offy mix. What kind of idiot selector him bring tonight?
But none of them about to
and when we are play the sound, guess who I have to play now? The father. The man who start these relationships with Guiding Star. Original Godfather Chronicle. Stay so anywhere you day in the world.
I'm missing murder, murder, murder. I'm missing slaughter, slaughter, slaughter. No. City Lock, Lordy Day.
We have a message for City Lock before talk to Chronicle.
Killing City Lock sound, we can murder them. City Lock come on the corner, them are dead in a back.
And we agree that City Lock is a big joker sound.
To kill City Lock we don't feel no way. But every day them a come with them saying say hey. Them want to put up a fight down.
Cause it's bad sound. On his what?
What we are gonna do with City Lock?
Murder sound boy any day. Murder them. Feel free, we no need no pay. Murder them. Murder sound boy any day. Hey boy,
play some nice regular nitty-gritty. Let me teach you about dubcraft.
Like the clocks upon the dance.
As I say, for my plate credits, I have to play the father, the Guiding Star official artist. Chronicle has a message for City Lock. Padova.
Guiding Star kill City Lock any day.
Any day, anywhere, Charlie.
Guiding Star, now no play song around here.
Let we stand Spanish now.
And every song, and every song, and every song I go dead. Every song, and every song I go dead.
Show back a wicked DJ from the 80s area.
Every song come dead.
Ugly man.
City like him I go dead in a Padova city. Ali Bling and Tommy dead in Italy.
Sorry, Ali never come.
Star.
But I know the reason.
Dobia in Padova.
Charlie, play back the one there to blood clot from start.
Guiding Star. Where is in the area? Soundclash.
Where is in the area?
Guiding Star. Kill City Lock with a Dobia in Padova. City Lock dead with a Dobia dead.
There is no time, Charlie.
Hey, them wonder if they will see tomorrow. Violate Guiding Star splash out them a horror.
We even wonder if them are going to see the fourth
Strike
one.
bowl and the wicked people.
City Lock could not just a shame for the sun culture.
If they will see tomorrow, them this Guiding Star and we splash out them a horror. We make them know so we know about horror.
You want Sizzler in a concert? Charlie!
Anyway, jump on your in problem. You jump on system of all.
You should know and learn City Lock.
Well, we left them about.
Mr. Sizzler in a concert.
Boy, you're in problem.
Your pussy come with one bag of talk from first round. Be a false rumor. What we call that? Pussy hole informer. Sizzler.
Guiding Star, we no walk with informer. We no want to see them at all. Monday morning, make them come on the corner. Splash out them head on the wall. Hey, chat them a chat out your business. Mock them a mop out to play.
Cut! Man played some Sizzler. Yo, City Lock, you're ashamed. You're a real fucking yo-yo sound. You have up and down. You don't ever know how to put artists on rhythm the right way, and you still acclaim and want try to teach some sound how to cut dub plates. Listen, Sizzler in a fine and style.
Guiding Star sound.
All who love and respect God and Kalachi, show me some signal.
Yeah, cause if they don't got no sense, and I know them under false pretense.
Cause if them are your closest friends, when them are your enemies, come and try bridge your current.
My best friend enemy City
bad influence.
I'm sorry for you.
Call your name when them can't.
Tonight we are gonna burn down your son, slaughter your son.
Johnny,
tune!
Somebody get cramped and paralyzed.
What kind of idiot selector? Play it back, Charlie, please.
Maybe you say yes.
Are you name? What's your name, guy? What's your name?
Guiding star.
Put the selector and tell him something from you.
Somebody get cramped and paralyzed. When guiding star plays the plate every day, killing jump and sounds anyway. Somebody's get cramped.
You see, for the next tune, I have to pick up the promotion. Boom Shillam. Thank you to send us for City Lock Burial, Charlie.
Now son boy you cry and die, and Guiding Star got the trophy. Tonight you are go dead and buried. Guiding Star is gonna kill you little jump and sound.
They said thank you, Boom Shillam.
Shout, Guiding Star sound.
Thank you to send us.
So
but you see,
can see
if I was Tony and the crew,
how the number one sound.
I would be vexed about City Lock performance a while ago. I will be dark and would like to not even give them the fee that them have. Charlie, shoot!
Turn them out the road, suck them off dead. Them fooling, send out them idiot sound for dead. So Jacob a stop from fire with the burger. You up on the pagans with money sweet red.
The biggest argument to me out from the class star is about put song fun rhythm. I'm sorry for you, but your song them weak. You want massacre on a hardcore rhythm, Padova? Listen!
Hey, Guiding Star, want to some pussy. Hey, the French
oh, no, it's not gangster root boys in the place!
Bolo, you may sell man Lee Shard. Guns out!
Who's in the building?
Stamp on the bird, contract killer. Know the 45 like me and back killer. Guiding Star, them a top killer. Running on your place, hey, Lee Shard.
Stop living at the past, me. Your history not pretty at all. You're not just a fucking weak sound. Step aside from now, Charlie.
No. Guiding Star, no. A chronicle, no.
What about Pedro?
Step aside now. Guiding Star come to take over. Cause you don't know who you're playing with. Time to retire, yeah.
Too much tune to play, Charlie. Let we teach the boy them how to play and juggle and kill sound. City Lock want to try again. But guess what happened? Once again.
So when Guiding Star goes to war, City Lock dead in the war. Yes, Guiding Star, me say we know how
Charlie,
we run the room.
Kill the pussy them.
Kill it,
all veterans in the place. All soundman.
Old people say, if you test Guiding Star, you will get shot.
Bumbleclad. Short and spicy. Soundboy execution.
Shoot them, chop a sleep and can't wake up. Yo, Dan Baller, WB. Yo, Jimmy Warrior. Bumbleclad, Guiding Star, I done them soul, you know.
You want rhythms? You want songs fun rhythms?
Guiding Star, pull up on the trigger in a pussy, you did empty. Never the trigger put in a clip where you're 20. Shoot them, you're Mr. Spency. Shot them, them intensely. Third body.
City Lock.
Don't fit the people there.
Feel like them a big sound. Two them have maybe 2,000 dub plates. But this is not the amount of dub plate that you have who make you a big sound. This is your record, your career, your performance. And you see City Lock, you're not in a Guiding Star league. No day, no way.
Ha! Guiding Star, first clap on the touch. Them not in your leg. Them a eye put a little dog plate and win. Reach the way, and I said them a lead.
Tommy still feel like him a big sound. him still feel like him bigger than many sons. But you see, in Germany, T-Bur's better than you. Blood clot, Sunquake better than you 10 times, 100 times. We know if you mention Supersonic Warrior, who not just a third class sound pussy one.
Some boy I come with them bag of man dub. Alright then.
Who don't feel your bumbo cat Tommy? Padova, tell Tommy the artist.
I will tell them sex. You feel like a big sound, keep it to yourself. Don't bring that to Guiding Star, keep it to yourself.
Equal rights and justice for all.
Who the blood clot you feel you are?
So what they gonna do?
Always some men them in the place.
Get slow your arm. Who do you think you are? You just a little dead sound. Dead sound. As wicked as you think you are.
As I said,
small sound.
I killed the pussy in Spain 17 years ago.
Small world.
I murdered him once again in Geneva.
You think you are.
And you see tonight in Padova, Charlie.
I'm listen to me. Me don't say Baba. Burn the fire, make them sound boy Allah. Yo, me done them anyway. Guiding Star, see that? Yo again. Any city, any town, Guiding Star will kill your sound. When you hear me now?
From we have played the rhythm. How to follow Guiding Star over the years. What we have to play now?
Guiding Star. Guiding Star of the bounty hunter. Them can't cross the border.
Let's get it hardcore now, Charlie.
What a heat boy. Guiding
Pedro.
Sweet boy.
Show the gate to Tommy Dollar.
A sound boy run away when Guiding Star him a play. Yes.
Hardcore in the early morning, Charlie. One last chance. Make sure you come. Better next one, Tommy, or it will be a lack of.
Over there to start the soundclash quick. And him start to vomit.
Make sure you come strong next round, or it will be a straight and clear lack of.
Guiding Star, this your song in our blood. You know, Jacob,
one bag of lies.
Lord, rumors them spreading. Clean that's a sensible planting. But the quickly rubber dub Guiding Star playing.
How about them one test Guiding Star? You should know, Charlie, no rest no time. And the saddest blood that night City Lock. Your worst nightmare is in the place once again.
But the saddest thing is so sad. Guiding Star killer dump and sound. Sound boys feeling the pain. The pain. The saddest thing is so sad. Guiding Star killer open sound. Sound boys feeling the pain.
Oh my gosh. City Lock, you have one last chance. Make sure you come strong and good in your next round. Because otherwise it's gonna be a burial. And from now, I can quietly say that City Lock should run from this blood clot place.
Kill them in the morning dew. One Guiding Star. I wish some boy think this is a daycare center. Tell them as at war.
Padova!
Come. Hey, Richard. City Lock dead and gone. Star. One Guiding Star. I wish some boy think this is a daycare center.
No more
Tell
talking.
them at war.
No
hey,
more
Jacob.
talking.
Hey, Richard. City Lock dead and gone.
Yo. That was third round for Guiding Star, Jacob and crew. Get ready now, Pedro people. It's gonna be the third round for City Lock out of Berlin City. Tommy.
Yeah, people. All right, listen, it's clear. We all come to have a nice sound clash, right? from here to there, everybody wanna have a nice sound clash. 2 rounds gone, but the most of the clash is still coming. Okay? So if I don't lose my confidence, you don't lose your confidence. We're gonna do this, wicked and bad, and make this a classic clash, a history clash, a classic audio. This is gonna be wicked. One channel was not working, okay, the second round is gone and fucked up. But right now we don't think about that no more. Right now we're gonna find out who is the real soldier. You understand? That the controller is not working is not even the biggest problem. I didn't have to know that my selector, Ali Bling, would not be here 2 days ago. Do you think I don't ask Easy Tosh or Fabi Benz? Big up all my City Lock family. But if I switch the selector 2 days before the clash, is for a reason. And you chat the whole round about it. You see me? You chat the whole round about it over and over and over. I gonna give you City Lock hardcore style tonight and make your money worse. Let's go. I have 2 big problems for the night, but I'm gonna master this. I'm gonna show you who's the warrior, who's the killer. If I'm confident, don't lose your confidence. Give me a lighter, let's do this again. Jacob, you smile too early. You smile too early. City like a kill, jump and sound. Selector, show them. Show them. Oh, he's not good DJ. He's the best in Berlin. Ask everybody.
We can't lose the clash, we have to win. Yo, throw some sound boy, them no fi walla in a City Lock. Can't lose the clash, we have to win.
The last round you played was not even good, and you don't have the same problems like me. The only good thing you played was fadeaway rhythm. The rest was trash.
Kill some little sound, you know we can't say we fed up. The place I feel lively, it can't dead up. Come a dollar, we no afraid of them.
A sound who don't have a box will voice custom made. I don't voice no custom made. I have a box, so you go. Everybody trust me. Trust me, put no one man.
I've got a final solution. Sound by execution. This is soundclash revolution.
I will never come in a war and play Jamaican custom made.
Oh, yeah.
What the fuck, Guiding Star? You're not in a big league. Yeah. It's a shame you play custom made.
Sound execution.
Cheap custom made because you don't have no songs. That's a shame. Play me box.
Sweep over some sound.
No shadow.
City Lock sweep over that song. Those soundbox may think they're tough. City Lock sweep.
Rhythm by selector. Don't play no custom. Play the box.
Yes.
Give me.
Yeah, man, City Lock, yeah, real sound, yeah.
City
Lock, them rising, yeah. I never did this brain. This sound war is stand up in.
Take out the AK. Blade, you're from Moscow. Take out the AK and shoot up with you.
And this sound is City Lock in the love.
Give me big song in killing style. Give me big tune in killing style.
Man, the murder of real. We should have guns and we think or get crazy.
All who wanna hear big tune and killing style.
AK we think.
Watch our next one, let's do this. Listen.
Sound boy, I go drown in the blood. Them want rule the land and them not have no rubber dub. Them neglect the farming, them scarring the mud. Wanna be the first to reap the food as it bud. Them turn the dance all in a house. Of them rum warrior.
All you know tonight is the night that you're gonna get hardcore song. Let me see the gun finger over your head again. Go hardcore tune.
Gunshot or in them City Lock. We no deal with fish, we no hope. City Lock no take beat, we no hope. No so pussy City Lock, we no put. No face down below, which part no fi put. You must see man, come me straight. We no gaze when we look. Ali Bling, we no tears when we choke. Them sound over the sun yam poke. Them so like pussy. Gunshot. What am I gonna get? The mad cobra and
I say, the artists, the sound of no big songs. We want to hear history songs and killing style. Give me big tune, Blade.
Sound come push up them.
Rastafari sing. Sound go dead in ya.
Give me big tune and killing style. Listen to the lyrics.
Cut off your head and kick it up high. We know City Lock win the prize. Class.
No matter what you say, me already play more big songs than Guiding Star for the whole night.
And we're not gonna
in this short round.
One.
All who wanna hear another big tune and killing style, let me see the light under the ear.
He that someone from town or country. Don't try to test my sound.
Big tune and killing style.
Oh no, City Lock sound.
Big tune and killing style.
You could have come from New York or you come from Japan. Could have come from Jamaica if you taste City Lock. One dub, date by one dub. You could have come from Canada, you could have come from America, could have come from Europe or you come from...
People, I still enjoy myself. I love to come to Soundclash and play the box. I love to play big songs in hardcore style, and I love when we have a massive that enjoy this type. This is rare. Big up yourself. You see the Anthony B song I'm gonna play is dedicated to Lishar. Lishar, what's wrong with you? The whole time you don't smile, you don't enjoy, you're just so cold, you act like you're a bat. Lishar, you are not from Moscow. You are uptown kid from Paris. My selector is from Moscow. Don't act so cold, you are not from Russia like my DJ.
Man a Rasta man a move like Benny Hill. Yeah, tell them I think you're perfect.
Uptown boy from Paris, act like he's from Moscow. But this is my DJ.
Make a boss it.
Lishar!
City Lock, we have to put fire upon a clown. Tell them to pack up them sound and boom. Can't play the City Lock a sound. The most wanted gun you out of town. Hey, yo, fire upon a clown.
I say, I want to hear on Rhythm Buju Banton. All who want to hear Big Buju, put your hands in the ear, Italy, let's do this.
Buju Banton, touch
everybody come.
Come here, a murderer. On your shoulder, the sound today and berry boy tomorrow. Murder, that's all catch a fight.
Yeah, I don't give up.
City Lock sound act like no coulda eye from man, but not to no conscience. Uno test the City Lock, uno take a jump over fence. When we check them soul and boy, then I no conscience. Disobey the City Lock commandments. We walk through Germany, we feel no pestilence. So we witness with doves them.
When my sound play, the heat turn on. You see the first round we played when everything was good. Still gonna be the best round of the night. They don't know how to do these things. We still have more rounds. All who want the fire to come back to the Soundclash, give me a light on it, you know. Round number 3. All who want the fire to come back in a Soundclash, put your light on it here. Chedron to Charlie, Occupato. Everybody go so.
City Lock and push the fire. We are push the flame. We
there.
are bring a dub plate and a sound on the land. We are push the fire. We are bring the flame. City Lock, we have got so much to gain. We are push the fire. City Lock and push the flame.
All right, we are gonna work double hard tonight.
Plate bandit.
It's not a problem.
We are push the fire.
Beat me Java.
Push the flame.
Beat the Java blade.
Oh, Almighty Savior divine.
You kill another.
Punchline. City Lock gets you sounding so fine. Beat another soundball.
Lucy.
Oh, Almighty Savior divine. Play another bass line. City Lock sound, you sounding so fine. So boy, I feel runway.
People, let's make this a good night. All who want to hear one of the greatest singers of all time by the name of Barris Hammond on Java Rhythm. Let me see the light under the ear for Barris. Come. Come, Italy, let's do this. Let's go to have a nice Soundclash. Come, Barris on Java Rhythm.
Watch what you play and the way you push your nose. City Lock ready to explode. Watch yourself and the way you push your nose.
Ready to explode.
Lock is a heavy load. Temptation one.
Guiding Star, let's be honest, you play Fade Away Wicked. But otherwise I was not impressed. Not impressed by you tonight.
99, your idiot sound might be next in line. Murder.
The first round from City Lock was the best for the class so far. Now we back in this. Let's build back the vibes.
Ain't no sunshine on the ground.
Let's build back the vibes. All who want to hear big tune.
Only darkness in your grave. City Lock, take the trophy.
feel home. Anytime this tune come, but I play some boy. I know.
You know we have all type of rhythms, right?
I know.
But me love me foundation rhythms.
I know.
Let's gonna get for another wicked foundation rhythm.
I want to see some. City Lock.
Let's go for the Mr. Basie.
Johnny has done the dancehall Godfather.
Johnny Osborne.
Season for
come in.
Seems like it's the season for war. Yes, seems like it's the season for rubber dub war.
Right.
Yes, seems like it's the season for war. Yes, seems like it's the season for rubber dub war. Yes, from the east unto the west, from the north unto the south, we're playing the breaks of mass destruction, and pretty soon we
want to hear the fireman now.
Seems like it's the season for
people. Let me work double hard. You know, no problem. I will give you what you deserve. Keep it on, keep it on.
Till I can gun the place and I done the place. We govern the place, yeah. Them can't come run with place, or them for done the place. We govern the place, yeah. So till I can run the place and I done the place. We govern the place, yeah. So till I can run the place and govern the place.
Talk about DJ Pun Foundation with him.
Watch this, yo. 50 caliber, hard that city like a fire. Shut out your eyeballs fire from you, this city.
Hold on, play that tune from the top. Pull up. The man talk about Massacre Fun Foundation with him. You don't know how to put bad DJ on Foundation with him. Listen to this.
Yo, Tommy Donna, yo, foundation, yo, dash. Make boy not splash.
People, let's be fair. I'm working hard right now. Give me forward. Bad tune, bad doublet. What Italy?
Watch this, yo. 50 caliber, hard that city like a fire. Shut out your eyeballs fire from you, this city like sun. Boy, you a go dead all if you are.
This is what we do tonight.
You know city lock.
Yo, city lock. Well, up the whole Europe. You understand? Now the first sound pop play this band up.
Massacre.
I want the song scrub. Yeah, me a tell man city lock. Watch your style, yo. Hey, city lock. Me know them bar, me know them hands well. I leave a blood, I leave a spencer. Gun and squig, good. City lock, them now kill no sound. That a lies, pussy it up in ice. Hardcore like happy eyes. Could you shut his eyes? Shallow grave, man a drop in eye. Better watch it hype. Can't beat city lock with them pussy appetite. Pull up, and a knock it right on the traffic light. Brawling, have it in a day, chopping at the night. Some pussy don't live bad when them a chatting at the mic. Rifle bust and belly bust.
People. You see Jacob, he is so afraid what he learned in Berlin the last time. In Berlin, you get no forward for the whole night. And when I play my couscous rhythm, it's the first time Jacob see a sound get 8 forward in a row for the same rhythm. And we teach him this. And he is so afraid he come with the new couscous full of cheap songs, custom made. This because you are so afraid of my couscous? Yeah, Jacob, you're a little pussy. This is how you play couscous.
All the wicked sounds skinna get burned.
This is how you play couscous.
Table a turn through them chuck badness.
Round number 3, me return.
City lock sound ready for return. All the wicked sounds.
What is the name of the clash? Boris in the area, right? I want to see every lighter right now. Okay.
The city lock leave the bodies young. Run west out
City lock. War is in the air. Tell them to prepare. City lock. What's up the bomber clad rifle? Make them hear. Knock it up.
Bob, should not big up yourself. What is the name of the clash tonight?
Son boy scared.
City lock. School people. Want some pussy. Yo, when city lock, looking at them drug box, it never empty, no empty. Look at this guy in a pussy, yeah, it empty. Show them, yeah,
this is how you juggle.
Shot them intensely. Dead body, pile, panic.
This is couscous rhythm.
City lock, tell them your drug box, no empty, no empty. Dub and tune in the plenty. Yo, tell me that, yo, bar, yo, tete, yo, city lock.
Alright, so then.
It's the man. Oh, yeah, shot them in the for no.
Alright, let me juggle the rhythm how you have to do it.
Tete. I want some boy, gunshot beating in them face like Kete.
City Lock, I want to some boy. Yo. Well, if a sound feel them bad like a steel plate, line up them chests. Tell them City Lock, them fittest. Come this murderer when I have no mercy, remarks now regret. And a peer cup a shot them sound I get. A sound feel them bad like them tech. City Lock sound for fraud. Chew them in a feed them backyard. Well, same place front of them brethren, them dead like a...
This is how you play the cos rhythm.
None shall come.
This is how you put some part of the rhythm.
Listen. Don't fear no sound, no we don't fear. Tell them so we no fear. No sound boy, no we don't fear. A City Lock sound don't fear. No selector boy, no we don't fear. Tell them so we no fear. No sound boy, no we don't fear. I'm tell them, put down with this City Lock and then you run off. Anywhere you reach your bogus man jump up. This is me not jam down and run.
Jacob, don't try to play my rhythms all the time, and I'm gonna tell you why you shouldn't do it.
God bless.
Don't try to play my rhythm, Jacob. You know why? It's good. You know why?
Anything that you can do, City Lock can do it better. Him are the roughest, a City Lock are the toughest, yeah. And any dip that you...
Them chat about how to put song pan rhythm, but nobody know like me. This is the baddest doublet that you're gonna hear in a class. This, the baddest doublet in the class.
Who them pussy ya? Them nano tune fuck with something. Suck pussy ya. We slew them pussy ya. City Lock, we no friend batty boy. Boss we gone. Who them pussy ya? Them no...
You think I feel bad? I feel good. I'm in my element.
Slew them.
These are the baddest doublet for the night.
And the pussy when no like it.
Your cause is weak no fuck. Now what is man is a shame. Anyway, give them something for them run. Come, Buju like that again. Buju.
Them try chop we know.
Buju!
Man must not go pankies up and you don't get up there. Hug up one another but no rub down no leg. Stop with the matic and the Uzi instead. I shoot out in a Germany, shot them dead. When you look on down, they run up there.
Wait, play again. Buju from the top again. This is the people been waiting for.
I'm on the man.
Buju pull up.
We're not around with no form of faggotism this year, you know. I knew we here. How many million load and clear? It's a City Lock sound. Them try stop we know. Them try chop we know. But I don't know. Man must not go pankies up and you don't get up there. Hug up one another but no rub down no leg. Stop with the matic and the Uzi instead. I shoot out in a Germany, shot them dead. When you look on down, they run up them. No music like me this so much I said. Woman a wine in a dance, all on a turn for head. Girl bikini is just another bed. Ready for me, for me, say alright, so then. Hardcore Buju fam, I quit boom bye.
In a sound boy head. Give thanks, people, everybody who is still giving me forwards after the second round was hard. I told you I'm not going to give up. I'm not going to give up. I'm going to fight and play proper. You see, this round was still hard. We're going to build back the vibes. All right. But you see right now, we're going to give you something for your money. Yeah, from the top. Yeah, from the top. From the top.
Them, no, sir. Please, sir, City Lock, you tell them where I'm going.
Morris in the area. For the history, we want some supercat. All who want to hear supercat tonight, let me see your gun and open.
Where they want for ram it up. A City Lock sound, they want for ram it up.
Stop and pull up. No,
sir. Please, sir.
I told you I'm not going to give up. I'm going to fight this for you, Italy. I fuck up the second round. I'm going to do this for you again. When I boy Supercat, they say I have a new name for me.
Top killer, tell them City Lock sound, say my top killer. City Lock up them a bounce like a chiller and a dilla. Tell them this a sound, say it going live forever. This a sound, you're going to turn them over forever and not ever. Tell them boy, I do come go on like.
Alright, so then.
Now we knock you out from next year to never.
I don't wanna hear history song, doublet style.
Boys a fire, tell them who watch them and the wall in the corner. You me look for me, tell them my sound. You said that way they want to ram it up. A City Lock sound, they want to ram it up. Yeah, a City Lock sound, they want to ram it up. Set up me dollar and them boy, I have not hang them up. Set up killer, tell them City Lock sound, say my top killer. City Lock up them a bounce like a chiller and a dilla. Tell them this a sound, say it going live forever.
People, I know you've been waiting for this. To make it a good night, I'm going to play the song again for you from the top.
No, sir. Please, sir.
As an outro tune. To to give you something for your money. Never let the tune run for you. Boris in area, super cat for you.
Where they want to ram it up. A city lock sound, they want to ram it up.
Right.
Here away, they want
I say super cat. Don't say that. Give me a new name.
ram it up. Yeah, you're away, they want to ram it up.
He say, okay, here's your new name.
Them up, set up killer. Tell them city lock sound, say my top killer. City lock up, them a bounce like a chiller and a dealer. Tell them this a sound, say it going live forever. This a sound, you're going to turn them over forever and not ever.
Yo. And that was third round for City Lock. Yo, I beg you people from my side to move here. Because right now, we need lights on crowd. It's voting time again. Yo, I'm gonna ask you people to raise your hand if you think that Guiding Star won the third round. Okay, hands down. So right now, I want to see all the people that think that City Lock won the third round. Rise up your hand. All right. Put it down. So right now, seems like the score has changed. We have 4 points for Guiding Star Sound and 2 points for City Lock Sound. Sticky no bombo. Right now, get ready again, because it's Jacob time again. Guiding Star, fourth round, 15 minutes, last round.
Finally, City Lock won with a thing. But what a hard struggle, but this is a part of the culture. I know people want to get into the tune for tune, so I mean, I have no problem with that. Just problem with certain speech from Tommy. Man said his first round was the best round so far in the clash. No, sir. You just finish your third round with a good way. Push it with your supercat and one tune. Heavy big dubs, heavy money dubs. But you see in a clash, you talk about your cuss and said cheap tune. You see in soundclash, we know watch money that you have spent. When you play the right tune on the right time, it's the main thing. Kill sound with music and
Well, you kill them now. Kill them now. Why they stop? Kill them now. And I sing glory, glory, hallelujah. Some boy dead that lean up in the corner. Tell them Guiding Star, just take over. Some boy dismiss eternal.
What a boring song.
Kill them now.
That's why anyone of them.
Kill them now.
And guess what? The front of them.
You kill them now.
The front of the stage is empty. People rocket coming to the City Lock. Kill it.
Let me tell you, Guiding Star just murder a soul boy. Yeah, people. Yeah, just walk right in. People. Let me tell you, yeah, Guiding Star murder a soul boy.
You know Africa top place. We don't know nothing more. Just the money and you don't pay attention to see
Guiding Star.
Go stand I come from murder sound, Guiding Star, the number one sound. I wanna come inside the dance, really in a little chatty but see that dog, see the jump with them, say that Guiding Star. I'm glad. In a terrible form, we're gonna murder you in a mystic form. We come to kill you too. Guiding Star will make you wanna cry. Some boy you dig a hole in. Be careful, Guiding Star. Like a thief in the night.
Like a thief in the night.
Kill them, kill them, kill
the second one. Teach me African mirrors. Sometimes don't change the rhythm. Just play classic as it has to be played.
Now we see here a song that's running. No one Guiding Star just kill him. Won't recover. His life is over.
After tonight, City Lock.
If you should see a someone crying, don't ask his Guiding Star killing.
Can't complain on the microphone.
His heart is broken. Oh, it could be you, not me.
Tonight at your funeral.
Guiding star, you are the champion sound. And if the sound test, we're gonna knock.
This one's done with identity, originality, with creativity.
Knock them down.
This is the most important living.
Flick them from left to right in the gear. Top plate, top off the wall of them gate.
You up here, creativity in a soundclash. Listen, chronics once again.
Say everybody want to wonder we know we fly down far. See beat up a jump and like slide on bar. Run up our sound system where you fight gun war. See got me switching till I see I love star. You know what it? Jump and sound is falling, and this is just the beginning. Start at the grand finale because eventually we get the cause we'll stand up tall.
All the feminists guiding star, I need to know.
Star because we walk with the Prince of Peace, and I see is the leader. Guiding star tell them, no sound can't play like we. Them can't test we neither. I rubber the way I defend. Oh, guiding star is the leader.
Now you gotta go with them for the review.
And
all you sisters that can't kill guiding star tonight.
None of them boy that can't kill. Don't try, can't take the tail from us.
Hey. Well, we are succeeding to that tonight.
Star. Kill them on them, they true. Kill them like dogs and John Crew. Them dead boo. Guiding star, I go kill them.
We are ready for off-road tonight.
Let me see your guiding star son. Motherfucker should know how we run the town. Guiding star son.
In a freestyle.
Tell a boy say, tryna go round the thing, tryna go round the thing. Give me day for learn you.
Nothing gonna, you ain't gonna teach me nothing about soundclash tonight.
Alright. Kill everything in the blood clot heart. Bad man, they got you nothing that up crash.
Am I trying to bring sounds for real?
I'm scared, a guy.
But me them engineer, shit no girl class.
Lift up your gun now.
Bring up my engineer, Cisco. Bring up GNH. Friends at the baddest set of engineer when it comes to remix. Charlie!
Then them go.
Let's go!
Guidance are a killer, if this you're dead first. Tell them that we were the young in April 1st. Guidance are a killer, we not under him the yard. Guidance are a killer, man, and a police are a good general, we are not push over. Well, man, real time killer like the young and them Kenya. Guidance star sound. Drop the bomb. Then them go.
When was the last time you killed a sound?
You're dead first. Tell them that
we still got true forward in Berlin.
Guidance are a
killer, the weakest sound for the night.
Guidance are a killer, man, and a police are not soldier. We are the general, we are not push over. Well, man, real time killer like the young and them Kenya. Get out from the top.
Everybody,
make your man at the top.
Once you can finger up and stick it out now, and shoot out the pussy night, Charlie.
Yo, Lisha. Yo, Jacob and the crew. Tell them not talking bad man sound and boy, no hear that. Gunshot in a boy face and boy.
Everybody!
Guiding star, let them know. Bang! Bang, bang, boom! Bang! Guiding star say.
Bang, bang, blood clot moving and stick it up. Hey! Yo! What a weak sound. I'm expecting a better fight from City Lock. They finally won a round due to the finish with a super cut. And yes, we have to give them a props. You want a fight. You don't want the dance cut out so early. But guess what? They talk about new tune. What was the latest tune they played? Some 2-3 years ago, business that. We've already passed double Wi-Fi rhythm. And we expected City Lock to come wicked and answer with, try to counteract with the rhythm. So guess what now? Let's rebury them for the double Wi-Fi once again!
Ehi yo, da Bash, stasera ho voglia di ammazzare un sound di merda, City Lock sull'IQ pussi, se subra la terra, mamma che sound di merda, se ne guardano stasera usa capo aperta, non mi spieghi, City Lock, Pussy Wall. Ehi, vai a bunda bacia. Osa domani se ci sai. Salento State of Mind, Bunda Bash Family, per Guiding Star. Stasera uccidiamo City Lock, Pussy Wall. Ehi, senti. E stasera City Lock, senti come un combino. City Lock, siete il peggior sound di Berlino. E come Corona faccio uscire gli altarini. City Lock, un bus merdo come Alfonso Signorini. Se fanno li Batman per essere qualcuno, ma la verità è che non se li caga nessuno. C'è Nancy in City Lock che fa il malandrino. Tommy Dollar ti faccio piangere come un bambino. Batman qua è Guiding Star, suona in tutto il mondo. In Italia, Francia, America, mi campo e più come a City Lock. Ali Blink, quando mixa dici sempre no. I giamaicani dicono City Lock, ma che Pussy Wall. Guiding Star, suona veloce ma sempre per gli schemi. La Batman non te fa la
understand, tell me the noise of big Pussy Wall in the business.
Una casa come Italia, Germania del 2006. City Lock, Pussy Wall, Pussy Wall.
Everyone teach some songs about soundclash.
City
You don't know nothing about soundclash.
City Lock,
Big up Internet in the place. Big up Control Tower. On the free Guiding Star Arts Banks in the place. But guess what? We are bringing inspiration and knowledge.
Guiding Star, make your head a roll a ball up. We have it all up. We make Mara splash when we wall up. We have it all up. We go kick like ball up. We have it all up. Like then chop. So them a bad sound and I'm the sound clash knowledge. Seem like them want go to Guiding Star College. Yeah, I'm just see them a keep up in the village. Head off you go bust like cabbage.
All of them a Guiding Star, I got you man.
Sound clash knowledge. Look like them want go Guiding Star College. Yeah, I'm just see them a keep up in the village. They want some more car milk porridge.
Yes. You see the offer mix properly. And don't know nothing about skill business.
Over way, in a dance sound just beg a true way. In a dance, why lose them in a true way? In a dance sound I beg a true. Guiding Star make you so bad, you too bad, you too bad, you too bad, you too bad. Loud, you too bad.
The pussy came with some weak and lazy buju bantan and Phil say, he might go teach me and kill me. Hey boy, from you run up your mouth and think say you're a bad sound. Let's buju kill on the bomber cat now.
The French kill my shirt. Ballo, Jay come away yourself man. Lishar, some boy come for some dash and get wild.
Spend money
Lord of mercy.
Tonight.
Guiding Star. Send them about sound fine. Guiding Star run down boy long time.
Oi! We not back forward!
Amazing sound of Guiding Star sound kill him now, kill him fireman. The French kill my shirt. Ballo, Jay come away yourself man. Lishar, some boy come for some dash and get wild. Lord of mercy. Guiding Star. Send them about sound fine. Guiding Star run down boy long time. I'm bad a sound and Guiding Star you won't find. Guiding Star just shoot them with a Chris come. We a sound killer. Come to kill sound. We don't come here fi follow. When you go on like no wicked boy jump through you. That don't be a fly through your heart. Exit through your
remember.
Ask you them no.
Sound city like kill.
We said it your night.
Them say them a sound killer.
Watch it make we run down.
Them say them a killer.
Say them a bad sound
Let
fine.
me give them a bad man salute and say bye bye city like.
Yo, Guiding Star. Me don't tell Guiding Star.
I Peter me dollar.
Bad man Salo. R.I.P. to a real killer. R.I.P. to a real killer. R.I.P. to a real killer. Real killer, real killer. Head hot. Scotchy and no sweet pepper. Make it gun beat like rhythm from a beat maker. Somebody a fi dead back. Fi me feel better, Jacob said. Who no better afraid than me dog. Bang out there ready and now.
Take no listen at all to Bumbleclat. Jano, from you know say Guiding Star is the real big bad deal in here tonight. Let's we finish with a Guiding Star anthem. Official worldwide anthem. Not some bathroom or living room anthem like City Lock claim to play. This is the father and son combination. The big bad sound anthem. all the way from Spanish Town.
The original Chronics from Spanish Town, Jamaica.
And the one them downtown. Guiding star come no. We kill a timp and sound. Nothing ever go down. I know me alone. Burning like a fire. We are the big bad sound.
Yeah. Like the morning sun, guiding star pass through. Easy Jacob, no son no better than you. And we no afraid figure grab up the mic and slew. War steaming up like the itas too. Big sound you want see a big sound you get. Everybody know the star well phenomenon. Selector chatting up with microphone in I man. Well if a real general I still see I'm done. Forward guiding star we a nice obsession. Dan Balla get the permit figure killer jump on. When it come to war Jacob now make assumption. I know so the star function.
Cut. We respect rules. We did no playback. Remember, City Lock just a while ago won the round, but did a playback. What a weak fucking sound.
Yo. Yo, people, that was 4th round for Guiding Star. Get ready for 4th round, last round for City Lock Sound.
Yes, my people. Give thanks for the one chance that you give me. Because I did deserve only one chance. I fuck it up in the round number 2. I only deserve one chance in round number 3, and I take it. I work double hard, and I give you what you want in the clash, and I get my points, and we are back in business. So thank you, grazie, for giving me the one chance. Right now, no more chance. Right now, straight fuck up the pussy hole and show me who's the master of the night. Talk about Buju. Talk about Buju to who? Let it go. Talk about Buju to who?
Blood clot. I want to wear green cars.
To City Lock.
I don't know why City Lock you run that. About a gun we have we can't run out and start on idiot. God don't know why City Lock run that. Lord of mercy is the new kings. We have the 4-5 Magnum and the Uzi.
I don't even have to play no more upon the rhythm. This was just a statement.
And the
I'm going to give you some classic songs. Big tunes.
Anyway, them run left, center, and right.
Dancehall history now. And this is general degree.
You think you are gonna win, but we kill you tonight. Anyway, you run.
You think you're gonna win?
Right. So you
this is a 1v1. 1v1 is till the end.
Murder a sound boy with me. When City Lock up a clash for them always have something up.
In a 1v1 you get surprised. The clash is over in the end. Not in round number 2.
Just maybe a sound boy discover City Lock.
You wanna hear bad rhythms, right?
Why?
That's why you're here tonight.
Because in the fucking building.
Okay.
Lock sound. Hey, bad man no one up as the old friend to bumbo clot. We not in a them thing the bumbo clot. City Lock say people no put no bumbo clot. Elephant ride the gun fast. Hey, bad man no one up as the old friend to bumbo.
You are here tonight.
We not in a them
because you're gonna get hardcore. You know that. All who agree, put your gun finger on the ear. Up.
Intellectual murder people edition. Campfire full of gun like Remington. Fully charge up, City Lock killer man. Sit down, give me gang. Push run up if you bad.
I'm serious. All who want a good fight, put your gun finger over your head. This is not over yet. Listen.
Look into the war, tell me what you see. Tell me that lot them killing all them enemies. Them not gonna get.
Pull up my tune, pull up my tune. This is not over yet. I'm gonna take this round. I'm gonna take this round. Let's go. Everybody give me this. Give me this.
Look into the war, tell me what you see. Tell me that lot them killing all them enemies. Them not gonna get no keys. When City Lock a squeeze, I could have Jamaican, German or Japanese.
I am the selector in Europe who put sound pun rhythm different. You know that. All the Gaza, Godfinger in that ear.
I'm the teacher, a million sound dead by a morning. Gunshot a lame flatter than all trap falling. No man. Boy, you may have said, man.
Let the Godfinger on them.
Violate City Lock.
Italy! Give me the Gaza Godfinger. Everybody.
a the teacher. A million sound dead by a morning. Gunshot a lame flatter than all trapalling. Them a fi dead, them a fi dead. Is a million duplicators stuck in I made then. We kill a million sound by a morning. Tommy Dollar rise up the Tommy and turn him.
You wanna hear wicked rhythm?
Dead.
You wanna hear wicked artists?
Some pussy I do. Rough up for it, fuck up yard. Hey, city like a Berlin juggler, like the bad bitch, so the alcohol.
You wanna hear wicked rhythm and wicked artists?
A Berlin jug, yeah. That we say every talk yard. Hey, city like a Berlin juggler. Only for millions in my first yard. Hey, city like, when me do you see me strap, hey. Take my chances, yeah, me take Chris, me load my gun, me keep it close, dog. Me not take this. So much motherfucking Rolex, we need a next wrist. What we do? Have them they switch, watching Netflix. What we do? Rise and make it, smarty death wish, make a food, but I know everybody.
All who wanna hear wicked artists on rhythm, give me a gun finger for popcorn. Popcorn for rhythm.
Some sound boy, them a punk of them throat we a go slash.
Guiding sound will never play for you. The real artist. Give me a unreally gun finger, everybody go so.
Pussy have you never knock it in a traffic? Have you ever bust a man throat with a achita?
Jacob,
nothing more bad.
You take it too serious. Let me tell you this right now.
Deal with the cabita. Say them a bad man, a liar them.
You never play big artists.
Never fire them.
You never have the real artists that we want to hear in a dance hall. That's why we say Jacob.
But suck your mother, dog. You know bad like city like a run rule. Zip triangle, brad. Gunshot a plane in your head like Looney.
Pull up, play the tune again because they are not used to this.
City like
Guiding Star play, you will never hear popcorn, you know that. Give me popcorn again!
Dog.
Everybody go slow!
Them some boy, them a punk of them throat we a go slash. Pussy where you know about easy tash. M1 rifle strap on from the block. Crack your skull like a calabash. Pussy have you never knock it in a traffic? Have you ever bust a man throat with a achita? You don't know nothing about bad miss watch it. Pack up packs I go deal with the cabita. Say them a bad man a liar them. Tell me show your rifle you never fire them.
One more time! One more time to tell you this shake off!
But why you think? But suck your mother dog. You know bad like city like a run rule. Zip triangle brad. Gunshot.
Wait Blade, I want to make a speech. People, did you see the promotion video of Guiding Star? They are in Jamaica and tell you it's the nicest beach of Jamaica. It's not true. This was not a nice beach. The nice beach is in the grill, but they cannot afford it. They always talk shit. And they look like two white sex tourists in Pattaya. You know? They look some young Donald Trump and Jeffrey Epstein. We don't like them. We don't like them. We burn them out. Give me my artist.
Real thing done.
All who agree, put your light over your head.
Red fire, burning out them sound. Fire burning out the control. Red fire.
Light up Babylon. Italy, let's do this.
Man come stand up in the fire. Then we would have move away.
Ah, Lord, pull up. I'm serious. I want to see lighters.
Then we would have friend, don't you?
I want to see lighter over there. Over there, over there, over there.
I sit till up.
All who knows you born Babylon.
Done.
Everybody.
Red fire, burning out them sound. Fire burning.
All who want Jeffrey Epstein.
Red fire.
Let me see the light of the oil. Everybody go so.
Man come stand up in the fire. Then we would have move.
I know it's the top killer. All right, Blade, just give me the next one.
Man, a bad sound that. Hey, Papa Ali. City lock start sell whites down like coffee stove. Both time kitchen and watch.
He talk about new tune?
17 shooter fish.
The biggest new tune? This is the biggest new tune in Jamaica.
Yeah, me killer, yeah, me killer. Glass of a toast. Killer, yeah, me killer. Gun for pass the most. Rich long time, we not chat on no post.
You talk about big tune?
So, yeah, you no mix and bingo. Remember we full of chips like Pringle. Run give my tick for single. Hole in a face like dimple.
He really talk about new tune.
Me wrinkle.
New dancehall to City Lock. He talk about new tune to me.
City Lock on drift.
To me.
Holiday kill me now.
Uno. To me.
Kiba.
To me.
Stop. Ooh. Winner.
That pussy will chat about new tune to me.
I saw we move, I saw we rock, I saw we sip liquor. Move. Youth. Way. Kiba. Girl. Jazz. Jack. Quicker. Make a dance.
Nobody in Europe play new tune like me. Never.
City Lock. Now go shut up in ya.
Come a song come out 2002.
We did it another bro.
No song play new tune like me.
Yo, city
all you ugly, put your gun on over yet. Listen.
I'm Mr. Da 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 da.
Everybody give me this. Everybody give me this. Give me this.
Sound so they bad from which bag? Tell a pussy we not one deep dog. Like Chinese wall so the kid.
I take another round, Jacob.
Make a fab.
Uptown pussy hole from Paris.
Da because them a big dog. So you disappear as if we never did bad.
You wanna hear bad sound now, right?
We never just sing.
I never give up.
With the people,
I never give up.
You hear that? You have Glocks all around in a man. I'm Mr. Da 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 da. I'm Mr. Da 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 da. Yo, city like so.
I'm a chopper. I don't give up.
Custom whip on the brand new stick. When we kill a boy, we not chat about it. The care with him once I got it wrap round it. Think, sing, sleep when I feel to tune in. One shot, two shot, three.
I'm a chopper, I'm a killer.
Relax.
I never give up.
On your door.
And that's why we take the 2 rounds. 3 and 4. Let me mash up the bomber clad place now, Blade. Let me mash up the place. You are chat to who?
Hey, Joe City Lock. Hey, let me tell you
pull up. I don't even have to prove it together yet. Why? He never play in a festival. He never play in a juggling because he don't know how to do these things.
Germany.
He don't know this. You will never see Jacob in Paris mash up a party. Nobody booking. Nobody.
Hey, Joe City Lock.
See my sound?
Hey, let me tell you City Lock.
I bet somebody.
Move. Hey, let me tell you move out the way. City Lock, I'm at my day. City Lock, Germany, France, I'm at.
Oh, I was expecting City Lock to play YFL rhythm, but he don't play, so I play this now. Jaja, you have a good rhythm on the road right now, and you don't have good song on the rhythm. I gonna show you, yes, I have something for you. Let it go.
Dance, I'm here to say yo, City Lock, but the sound from Europe.
The tune you play, nobody know, but this is big tune, one of the biggest tune from last year.
DJ Panama, ma.
This is how you put big tune on rhythm.
I'm here to say yo, this
City Lock jungle now.
For the girl, everything.
You know about my sound?
City Lock, dance, everything when you fire, you wrap it up. A sound talk to water, fling it down. A couple rifle, so bring it come. Now see the boy with this for we sound. City Lock full of money, the bitches are full of them. I know nothing for we all fully club. A couple sound boy.
This is how you put tune on rhythm.
A sound
set up video.
Fling it down, shot a lodge in your headshot. City Lock full of guns, extensions. Boy dead fra, we get mentioned. And then the sound signs up, it's a dead man. Gunshot. We full of guns, extensions.
Alright, the time is very short, but I have something for you. I know I take the round already, but I'm gonna give you a nice highlight now. You see, he play all these customates. It's so boring. In a 1v1, we don't want it. But since you want so much to hear City Lock say his name in a doublet, I have one for you. I have one for you.
Now love for the road, chase most wanted I told you. Loud evil with the broad eagle, representing for City Lock International. You want to bling you out for all. Yo, Tommy Dollar, some boy, yo, Tete. Pussy guiding stars are you, pussy guiding stars are you, pussy guiding stars are you, pussy guiding are you.
Who's the goalie god, Mr. Tommy Dallas? Everywhere we turn, Paul, a world of girl, Tete, one world of girl, City Lock, you play 30 killer, 40 mad cobra, 100 goalie god, turn boy over. Everywhere we turn rifle cross we shoulder.
Pussy hole, you take your energy like me.
Run over.
I'm the sickest motherfucker in the dance.
When
you know this.
We call them know a rifleman a fire no biggie. Clap in your head, they little dopey but a for me.
Nobody wanna clash me. You all are afraid of me.
Obviously we City Lock. Them no see the warrior over. Them no see.
So good. People, I wanna see your light and not yeah.
They a walk over. Them a walk over. So it.
Give me the next one. Give me the next one.
Yeah. Golly God.
Fuori Gelatini.
Oh,
Fuori Gelatini.
All right.
Milano. Bari. Venezia.
City Lock.
Pisa. Roma. Torino.
City Lock.
Fuori Gelatini.
Them know. Tommy Dollar. Paul. God of peace. The angel of death. City Lock. Now from we have life. We have everything.
Last entry from my DJ. Cobra, you know me good. Talk about my sound now.
Fuck you, man. Take them little blood clot clown, ya. City like I kill the whole out around, ya. From Berlin, the general sound, ya. No sound try kill this, but sing and tell them, say. Crime sound.
No fear, no boy, I just so rule.
Mad dead.
We have everything under control.
I play only 3 tunes. I only play 3 tunes. Come, Blade, let's go.
From you up.
Give me the good life. Give me your gun hand. 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 The biggest forward of the night. Give me the gun hand. Give me your gun hand. Give me your gun hand. Everybody.
Right from one of Guyana, pan the corner. Long from here, so to Guyana. Fayana, pan the corner. Boy. Right from one of Guyana, pan the corner.
2026.
From here, so
I'm still here. I want to see you from the beginning. And I'm still here.
Fuck your lad, I go inside college.
Come, Blade. She said what I do for soundclash. I give you your biggest soundclash, Jacob.
Senator me dada. Me want you fi hustle the trophy. Tommy hustle the trophy. Ali hustle the trophy. Cause I hit we are
no Ali Bling. No controller. But we take this.
A city like you know. Ali them reload the gun cause a Sunday time. Let's keep turning. So I say no. Them fi know what the ice things straight, you know. I know I never change, you know. So you be a senator me dada. Me want you fi hustle the trophy. Tommy hustle the trophy. Ali hustle the trophy. Cause I hit we are Buffy. Tommy hustle the trophy. Ali hustle the trophy. A city like you know. Ali them reload the gun cause a Sunday time. Mine from the trophy and the trophy from my mind. $5 I free the dollar sign. Ali Bling rise up the new.
I have the trophy on my mind. I will never give up. And I always ban Babylon, even in a soundclash. Give me my last tune, come.
City like Gaza, how we run Gaza.
Give me my last tune.
Gaza.
Everybody give me the light. I always say free Gaza.
City lock, Thunder, crashing at the Gaza. And everybody dead. Gaza card, the sound clash I run red. I live in a bus gunshot in a boy head. And if a boy this time me dollar him a go dead.
Yo, 4th round done. Right now, I'm sure about the thing. Here we're gonna have a dub feed up, okay? But we have to decide the score before we start dub feed up. So, for the 4th round, all those who think Guiding Star won the 4th round, show me hands. Okay, you can take them down. Right now, all those who think City Lock won 4th round, show me hands. Okay, it's clear. We have a draw. So, the rules are like this. We start from dub feed up from the score reached by the 2 sounds after 4th round. So, we have the score right now is 4 points for Guiding Star, 4 points for City Lock, 1 point given for each song played in dub feed up, and right now they have to reach 10 points. The sound that will win this clash has to reach 10 points. And we're gonna start with Guiding Star right now.
Of course, like we are the first song to play tonight. Easy Boom Shilam, Tony, Sergio and the crew. Finally we got something from City Lock, which was really fine. Give them a props for the last round. And I knew in Europe we really love tune for tune. And we are gonna start it with the real way. This is the nitty-gritty now. The point where we are going to play tune who build us, who make we establish ourselves. The first song is one of the greatest ever, the real Godfather, the original Altanellis, and you have something to say to the crying bitch, Tommy Dollar. Charlie.
We say when guiding star is playing, a sound boy cry eternally.
From the class start.
Cry on with your timpan sound. The rhythm, and I'm going to kill him. Rhythm, I'm going to kill him. With your rhythm, I'm going to kill him. Look here. When guiding star playing, every sound run away now. Cause it hurt them so. Right on the belly, you're good tonight. I said it hurt them so. Cause guiding star play, and they play every day. No other sound can play that way.
No matter what them are going to play, them are going to get tonight.
Okay, let's see, but right now you flopped the song. So let me get this point very easy because I have something that I want to play for you for a long time. Don Carlos out of Miss City locked up for that box. Let's go.
Yeah, man. Now big up my selector.
Easy point.
Man like
I want to play this for you.
Tommy Dollar, Holly Bling, Paco Pax.
You always say the same.
Fabi Benz.
The whole night you talk the same shit. Listen. Listen.
Enough some guy I run up them mouth. Say them are the best, but when it comes to the third city like no, them are one pass.
Quick and fast, quick and fast. All those who think Guiding Star won the first tune in Dub for Dub, show me hands. Okay, take them down. All those who think the first tune in Dub for Dub is for City Lock, show me hands. Okay, now the score is 5 for City Lock, 4 for Guiding Star.
And the right name I give them to them. Shitty Lock, not City Lock. All right, they got the point. They follow us. Remember, say we played Don Carlos before. And Fear Song is a real anthem, not a regular business like they played a while ago. What a kind of old pan blood clot song!
Hey, Guiding Star gonna play, yeah. Alright, feel a sound every day, yeah. Play Guiding Star, kill a sound for me. Send them home. Kill them and send them home. Hey, kill them all and come back alone.
Don't make it so easy for me now. With the sleepy rhythm. I'm going to give you something that you only hear when my song on the string up because this is a rare doublet. Big up Shanti, who know the foundation. Big up Northern Lights, who know the foundation. This is something you cannot get. This is Hope 10 Lewis with the foundation of ska music. Let's go. Rock steady. Original Hope to Lewis. And you cannot get this from no sound. Everybody listen. It's too easy.
Take your time, take your time, take your time. No need to hurry. No, no, no.
Wait.
We kill you easy, kill you easy, kill you easy. Your sound will get buried.
This was too easy, sorry.
Quiet. You know, all those who think Guiding Star has won this round in Dub for Dub, show me hands. Yo. All those who think City Lock won this tune in Dub for Dub. Okay, right now the score is 6 for City Lock, 4 for Guiding Star.
I like it. We have to fight to win a trophy. Guess what, City Lock? I slaughter you from early out. Then you get away to come back. But you see, Guiding Star, we just waited on the right time to kill you.
Johnny Burn Dancehall Godfather said that the truth. We could have killed you from a long time. Guiding Star sound a kill sound boy from a long time. And we come to kill your sound in the meantime.
Yeah, man. Nice Johnny Osborne. But you see the version that he used, we send it to him. We send the version to him to use the song, and then you get it from Soul Stereo. But it's okay. This was a good one, but I have a stronger one. Remember, this is all about history, where you want the real big songs of the history also, not only unknown shit, okay? Let's do this.
City Lock! Everything is okay.
Yeah, everything is okay.
People Ray.
Wait.
City Lock sound!
Sometimes the anthem is okay, but don't forget the big songs. Don't forget the big tune. All who agree, put your light on the ear. Big tune.
My sound. Giving them problems. No sound.
Not you.
Can't give me no problems.
You cannot give me no problems. No.
Long time we know City Lock.
All right.
No time to waste. All those who think Guiding Star take this round, yo, take them down. All those who think City Lock take this round, show me hands. Okay, right now the score is 6 points for City Lock, 5 for Guiding Star.
City Lock, this is tune for tune, brother. You claim to play some well-known songs, some worldwide songs, some songs who grows us, and play the most common Barrington Levy. When we are playing tune for tune, some well-known, some real hardcore foundation, at least we play some tune where hard for find, artists where hard for get. All who say killing City Lock is the
Skibby bang 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 yeah. Skibby bang 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 yeah. Killing is a must. It's a must. Killing is a must. Yeah.
Nah, man, too boring. Really, that have to be better in 2026. In a big clash like this, better tune. This is a first round tune. Come, Blade, let's do this. All I want is to be a big dub for them. Put your lighters up for real big tune. Different dub plays. This we give them. Listen.
Whatever you someplace with the luck, gonna kill you. Whatever you might say, City Lock, gonna dust you.
This last tune was not good. 2 weeks.
You can't find a song to kill the luck tonight. City Lock gonna kill your sound. Yeah.
Yo, what's the question? Is it for Guiding Star? Show me hands. Take it down. Is it for City Lock? Okay, take it down. Score right now, it's 6 even.
Yo, City Lock, Tommy. From you want play in that league, no problem. This tune, truly, really and truly, Derek, Ken Parker, I think really honestly, if Dunbeat never buzzed that song, City Lock would never cut that. Because I know for them knowledge. From the one to play real rocksteady Studio One early days style, let's we give them some Guiding Star fan style.
This is Ken Boo. Guiding Star. Gonna kill you all and come back alone. Yes, tonight, Guiding Star will kill your sound, leave you behind.
When you play your songs, there's like 2 or 3 seconds when everything is nice, but before and after it's shit. It's okay, man, but we have to be better as some top sounds in 2026. You want to hear some artists that you don't hear on every audio. All who want to hear hard to get original Aswad on the plate. All who know real soundclash rarity, let it go.
Gone clear.
All who know which tunes are really hard to get.
Down.
Let me see you going on over your head. Hey, Italy.
Call up the City Lock sound.
is Aswad.
#1 entertainer. Put them name on the poster.
This you don't hear on regular audio.
Like the champion sound.
Wait a second, don't cut it, please.
City like the champion sound.
Alright. Nicer audio now.
Cause we shine like a star. Shining so bright, like the star that you are.
All of those Aswad hard forget. A real dump it up nerd.
Into the future.
Alright.
Spreading your light wherever you
watch a big artist.
We're punch like Tyson in a boxing ring.
Alright.
Yo, big up my UK crew in the building. Where you there? Yo, okay. If you think this tune was for Guiding Star, show me hands. Okay. If you think this tune is for City Lock, show me hands. Okay. The score is 7-6, Guiding Star leading.
All right. Let me counteract idiot Tommy Dollar's speech a while ago. From him said Aswad is hard forget and feel like we can't play Aswad. Let we teach the boy how we play Brinsley Ford in a tune for tune. Charlie!
Greetings and salutations in the name of the Most High God, Jah Rastafari. Alongside the Guiding Star sound is Father
Big up the splendid family anywhere you there.
The mighty Aswad. Guiding Star sound.
Where is in the area?
Weeping and mourning and wailing tonight into the sound clash.
Alright, that was a good kick. When I lie, this was a good kick. Kill me Aswad. But answer this artist now. Jacob, since you have so much we talk, answer this artist now. Let it go.
You there?
Put me full bass line on it. Since you're talk about, answer this artist now. All who know, dump it up. Good. Let me see your light over your head for big artists like Joseph Hill. Yes. Answer me artist now. Alright.
No time to waste. Do you think this tune goes to France? Okay, take it down. Do you think this tune goes to Germany? Okay, score, it's 8 points for Guiding Star, 6 for City Lock.
One thing I don't understand with shitty luck. There are Supersonic best friend, you know, as a son from Berlin. And they don't even learn from Supersonic how to mix and master their dubs nice. Because you see, what a shame to play a legend like Joseph Hill and flop it like that. I would be ashamed to play Joseph Hill and flop like that. Boy, from you said artists were hard forget and, you know, some real memories for your dub box. Right now, those two artists were not so hard forget. But when I got those two artists together at Tel Studio 15 years ago, that was one of the greatest time I ever lived as a soundman. This is two of the greatest legends of reggae music, John Holt and Daddy Roy together in a combination. Guiding Star! What we are doing with City Lock tonight?
Murder sound, Guiding Star, gonna burn your tin pen sound. We come to kill your sound.
He will the man say sound boy.
We are the champion sound. We run the town. Guiding Star throw you down.
Two of the greatest together.
Now we are murder your star.
Killer jump on sound.
This is the great Showdown.
Runs the town.
From your love and respect, the original Godfather DJ, Padova.
Now you are in my car, John Holt, we're gonna murder some sound downtown or uptown. Sound car got this town, the biggest band sound around town.
To take long if you finish the song. Give me a bigger combo now, Blade. Let's do this. We're gonna get it done until the end.
Carlton Coffee alongside.
People. All who agree tonight was a good night.
What you want?
Let me see your lighters up. All who want to hear big two till the end. And a good fight. Put your lighters up, Italy. Counter this. Counter this. Counter this.
When City Lock come, murder you. Bad sound. Or what you gonna do when City Lock come slaughter you? Bad sound. City Lock is the...
I know chicken, we are jerk, that's what they said. So, do you think this tune goes to France? Guiding Star? Okay, take them down. Do you think this tune goes to Germany, City Lock? The score right now is 8.4. Guiding Star 7.4. City Lock.
Okay, nice first one sound. Carlton Coffee, the original. Nice tune, but as so it goes. From your one commercial stuff, and as Tommy say, add artists you get on the plate. Let me draw that for all the ladies and all the real reggae music lovers in Padova tonight. Charlie!
Jacob, are you run things? Saint.
Where is in the area? Let's play some of the greatest ever!
The champion, yeah, the big man with the musical plan. All of the sound, a trumpet sound.
Play some easy regular tune. Don't watch money when it comes to tune for tune. Kill sound with music.
My song. La da 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 la da da da.
Guiding Star, you play song too long for it up. This one gonna be easy. This one gonna be easy. I'm gonna give you one of the biggest foundation artists we have in the reggae history with a song that nobody played, but it's perfect for soundclash.
Straight to a sound boy, bomb rascal.
This other side, please. Give me this one there. This other side, please. I want the artist with a different tune. Don't worry, the tune not start yet.
Anthem sound from Berlin.
Don't worry. I'm gonna give you the right tune. I said unregular. I'm gonna give you the right song, don't worry. Barrington Navy. Different tune, everybody put your lighters up, so.
The plate box is like an open book. Yes, in the plate box.
I play the right tune, don't worry.
And everyone can come take a look, because your sound is like an open book. The box is easy to overlook.
This was easy.
Because your sound is like
we are going to the 10.
People, do you think this tune goes to Guiding Star? Show me hands. Take them down. People, do you think this tune goes to City Lock? Show me hands. Sticky. We're gonna repeat this one. People, do you think this tune goes to Guiding Star? Take them down. Do you think this tune goes to City Lock? Guiding Star. Score now, it's 9-7.
All right. From Tommy's head, he wants some real deep foundation in tune for tune, some hard sound for get. Right now, the artist I'm gonna play is the original lead singer for this song. This is the late great Brendo out of Melodians. All who love reggae music and want ear into international songs and tune for tune.
Star the best sound around town, anywhere. Live it up our Rasta people.
Show the gate!
Aye.
Show the gate to Tommy Dollar and the unknown brother!
By the gate of the dance hall, where the people get around, and there they wait when they hear a DB sound, boy.
Do the same mistake. You want to start a party and adopt it up. You play the songs too long, man. That don't make no sense. Host, I want to ask you one thing, please. When you share the points between the sounds, we don't go for the countries, okay? Because City Lock is an international, very international sound. And I don't like France against Germany in Italy right now. You see me? Just, it's all good. Big up the promotion. No big
Wagwan
but we are
ENT.
Guiding Star against City Lock. And you see in Germany right now, things getting really crazy. You understand? And you see people like we. This is Moscow representing this. This is Bogota representing this. We don't want to be connected with Germany 100%. You understand what I'm saying? All right? So when you call out my sound, it's City Lock who do the killing. City Lock is the killer, not Germany. You understand? Let it go.
City Lock, a murder that.
We are not so welcome in our country. Never watch me every day. Because we are bad youths, This is City Lock.
Police in helicopter.
You understand what I'm saying? Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yo, people, are you all aware that this is the first match point? Okay. So, all those who think Guiding Star won this tune in Dub Feed Up, show me hands. Okay, take them down. All those who think City Lock won this tune in Dub Feed Up, show me hands. Sticky. We have to make it again. I'm sorry. This is a very important vote. So, I'm gonna ask you again, people get involved. Yo, all those who think Guiding Star won this tune in Dub Feed Up, please show me hands. All right, take them down. All those who think City Lock won this tune in Dub Feed Up, show me hands. I'm gonna ask you for the third time, people, very last. All those who think it's the very last vote. All those who think Guiding Star won this tune in Dub Feed Up, show me hands. Take them down. All those who think City Lock won this tune in Dub Feed Up, this tune goes to City Lock. Right now the score is 9 points for Guiding Star, 8 points for City Lock.
Whoa! We are reached the nitty-gritty. Salute to the late great John Holt, but I played it in a combination. But anyway, sometimes it's all about timing and tune with speech. Right now, let us seal the dance and send City Lock to their graveyard. Charlie! Bang bang City Lock! And tell them something!
Get up this clash, why don't you, boy? Get up this clash, why don't you, boy?
All right. Since we play regular, and I don't want to play another regular, I'll do it one more time, and I risk something. I'm going to play another song that you don't hear, not at no audio at all. From an artist that we all love, but we don't hear enough in Soundclash. And I talk about Don Carlos. We talk about Don Carlos again. All right? But this one is the unregular. If I lose with the unregular Don Carlos, it's okay. All right? But if I win with the unregular Don Carlos, it's even better. Because this is Soundclash quality.
Tommy Dollar, easy touch. Show me, I tell you. Pack up a
now, we make the difference in quality. Regular Cat Boots or unregular Don Carlos. Listen.
Who you to knock on my door? Go on to hear your sound no more. You don't play
regular Cat Boots or unregular Don Carlos.
Why you get knocked out for sure?
You get knocked out.
City like place and galore. Sing it song zeng zeng song zeng zeng. Sing it song zeng zeng song zeng zeng.
Check, check. Yo, people, do you think Guiding Star won this tune in Dub Fi Dub? It's a match point. Take them down. All those who think City Lock won this tune in Dub Fi Dub, show me hands. Looks like it's City Lock. So, guys, I hate you, massive. Right now the score is 9 even.
So, this means the final round, the final entry. All right. For you claim, sir, we play regular, and you just play, some nice Don Carlos, but sounds play that long time before you. Long time before Uno Blood Clot. You want something exclusive and tuned with meaning. Sorry for your City Lock, but tonight, Guiding Star don't kill you. Charlie! Let's play something different to kill City Lock.
I'm sorry, Guiding Star, I go kill you. I'm sorry, Guiding Star, I go dust you. I'm sorry, Guiding Star, I go kill you. The idiot jump and sound.
Tell me who was sing to me to see if you are a real sound man.
Bro, I don't know the tune. I don't know the tune. You played something from A, some from nobody knows, and then you expect forward. You don't see how you flop it, and then you ask the artist, what's wrong with you? People, I cannot believe it. Honest. But now I'm going to kill him. Easy. I have a sure shot. I have one dub plate that I can always play in Dub Fi Dub and get the win and get the point. Because it's a big song, and the whole history about the song, how it come back into the Soundclash scene and everybody that plays all about this dubplate factory. We do dubplate since 2002 and offer it to the whole of Europe. Every sound in Europe get a dubplate with us from Jamaica. And then you talk about You Nobody and Soundclash. I keep more Soundclash than you ever will do. I bust a lot of sounds. Even you get your biggest audio with my Clash in Berlin. You understand? Give me the sure shot. Give me the sure shot. I'm gonna kill him now.
Bini mini bang bang bidi bang bang. This is history.
I win this.
Bang bang bidi bang bang bidi bang bang bidi man. Our victory. Aye. Early 2003. City Locks and the come out wrote history.
Till the very last tune. Till the very last tune. People, I have to big you up. I have to big you up. Yo, war is in the area, chapter number 7. This is the final vote. So, people, all those who think Guiding Star has won this Soundclash, show me hands. Tune as well, I mean. All those who think Guiding Star won this tune in Daffy Dub and won this All Clash Show Me Hands again. Yo, all those who think City Lock won this tune in Daffy Dub and won this World Clash, show me hands, people. Yo, looks like we have a new champion in the War is in the Area Soundclash Saga. This trophy goes to France. Jacob, this is for you.
Tommy, oh, you wicked so, brother. Mash up the nice trophy. Yo, first of all, give a props for Boom Shilam, Tony, Sergio, and all the family to keep the Soundclash culture alive. Make some noise! I want the biggest forward of the night for the Boom Shilam family, please. Make some noise for this man. You see, right now the clash is over. No more disrespect. This is my best friend, enemy in this business. We've been clashing for years and years, and this is how the culture should go. Rematch and rematch and rematch, like football, like rugby, like handball, like basketball. Certain son in the business, from them take a win, them fret for clash again. The next song, no sir, nothing no go so. City Lock did very well tonight. Give them applause! Big up all who was there. So much sunmen, so much sons addicts from last night. Big up all the people from England. Marcus Guy in the building. Big up the brother, Mikey Notch, Third Dimension. Big up all German massive in the place. Big up all Italian in the place. And big up to all my die-artists, French groupies. Mine like Julie in the place. Mine like JJ. My wife Pauline. And a special shootout to my shooty Charlie.
Wagwan ENT.